Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. What's going on, everyone? What's going on, Kane, Tony, Felipe, Ryan, Keith, CryptoX, PGN? What's going on, guys? Space. What's going on, Space? Love you, man. Christian, what's up? What's going on, everyone? See if Bitcoin can get a little pumpy pump tonight. Get a little Cardano pumpy pump. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. See you guys in a little bit. Smack up that like button, guys, by the way. Smack up that freaking like button. Let's freaking go, man. Can't forget my guy Bathwater, too. What's going on, Bathwater? Homie's always here. What's up, man? Timer's ticking. No hot sauce for me tonight. Zero hot sauce. No hot sauce for your boy. By the way, do you guys like gas station pizza? Let me know in the chat if you guys like gas station pizza. Yes or no in the chat, gas station pizza. Let me know in the chat. Don't hate either. If you haven't had it, don't hate. Don't say, ew, ew. Let me know in the chat if you like it. Also, let me know in the chat if you had those gas station little taquito things from Speedway. Those things are fire. Let me know in the chat, man. Those things are fire. All right, anyways, see you guys in a sec. Yeah, 7-Eleven pizza is legit. I used to eat that. I used to eat that sometimes. I'm not gonna say every day, but I used to eat that sometimes for sure. Last chance to hit those likes. Let's get the party started. Waterfly, how do you know that I'm going to eat Taco Bell in Vegas? You already know. You already know. I'm going to be drunk and I'm going to be eating some nasty food down in Vegas. But honestly, think about it. When you're in Vegas and you have a few drinks, all right, you don't want gourmet steaks. You don't want gourmet seafood. No, you want greasy food. So yes, I will be probably have Taco Bell in Vegas at some point for sure. And probably some gas station food too. All right, guys, we're about to hop on here. Let's see what Bitcoin does today. I want to hear this drop one more time before we get going. Let's all dance to it. Let's go. Get to it. Bop, 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 bop. Dun, 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 dun. Come on. You guys have to admit that song is pretty good. That song is pretty good for a YouTube song. Come on. Come on, you have to give that artist some credit. I don't know his name, but you have to give him a little bit of credit. But what's going on, guys? As always, smack up that like button for the stream. Bitcoin's at 42,486. Might be forming another bull flag that hopefully can push us back to the upside. We've seen these push us back to the upside the last 2 times we formed it. So let's see if we do it again, but we're going to jump onto that in a second. What's going on? In case you guys missed the news, all right? In case you guys missed the news, we said that Jabba is coming back, okay? Jabba is coming back in the full flesh. We are bringing him back from the dead. I have my best 2 people working on Jabba. He is not done yet today. He will make a surprise appearance, but he is coming back alive from the dead, as fat as ever. He's going to be fatter than he was before. I'm telling you, because he's been dead for a few weeks. He's going to be back. We're working on him. So in case you missed it yesterday, he will be back, guys. So let me know in the chat if you can't wait for Jabba to come back, right?
Strap up. We're going to the
Let's
moon.
go. All right. So other than that, man, I asked this question. Do you guys like gas station pizza? A lot of you guys said yuck. All right. I don't want to hear you guys hating on gas station pizza. That's going to make me very upset. That just shows me that you haven't tried it and you're being a hater. You're being an absolute hater on the gas station pizza. Don't be hating the gas station pizza. Get it, eat it, enjoy it. And I'm telling you, you will not hate on the gas station pizza, especially 7-Eleven pizza. Delicious, man. Real John, what's going on, man? He's dead. He must smell pretty bad. Oh yeah, I mean he's dead. He's fat, and he's been in the ground. So what do you think? Obviously, he's going to smell like shit, you know? Obviously, he's going to smell like shit.
Everybody panic. We're going to zero.
All right. So anyways, what's going on with BTC? Let's check the hourly time frame. What's going on with BT Sizzle? All right. So we have a little bit of a bull flag coming in here on BTC. All right. The last 2 times that we've had these, right, where we get upwards movements on Bitcoin and then form some type of falling channel, we have moved to the upside. All right. Now, I want to reiterate, we're going to go over this in a second. We are still in a bigger rising wedge, which is typically a bearish pattern. But could we get one more move to the upside before maybe this plays out? All right. And I'm going to tell you guys why I think that could be a possibility. All right. So you guys can see right here, right? We came up right here. And we formed this bull flag, right? Where we're getting lower lows, lower highs, bada bing, bada boom, we pump to the upside, all right? And then we formed another one, right? Making higher, lower lows, lower highs, and then we pumped again. And you guys can see right now, we are in another one of these downwards channels after a move to the upside. These are usually continuation patterns. Let's see if we can pump back up to the top of our wedge, all right? If we were to pump up to the top of our wedge today, that would put us somewhere around the $43,600 level for the top of our wedge. All right, so let's see if that plays out. But I think that's a good shot that could happen. All right, not going to say Bitcoin's going to 100K.
We're going to 100K tomorrow.
But I think there's a pretty good possibility that we could make, we can make some money here. All right, we can shoot some money out of our friggin' mouth, man. I had to do it, man. I think it's a pretty good shot. We can shoot some money out of our mouth. I will reiterate again. I'm going to reiterate again for all the bottom dwellers out there. You better start accumulating. All right, you better start accumulating. I'm not going to say you got to do it now, but I hope you guys accumulate it. I still believe that we are going to the upside here. I do not think that we're going to see lower than we did on our previous swing low. I don't think we're going to drop back below 33,000. I don't see it again. So for all them bottom dwellers out there sitting around there like this, oh, don't worry, Jordan. We're going down lower. What does his hat look like? 3 nipples. We're going down lower, man. I'm going to time the bottom absolutely perfect, man. My name is Jobby, the bottom dweller. Jobby, the bottom dweller, and I'm going to buy the bottom absolutely perfectly. So you just wait. You just wait, bulls. We're going back down to the downside, and I'm going to time the bottom perfectly, and all you bulls are going to be salty because I'm going to make more money than you, all right? All right? I'm going to do it. In the meantime, I'm going to sit here and eat my giant bowl of pasta, all right? See you guys. All the bottom buyers, you better be ready, okay? You better be ready. All right, seriously. It's why I said be ready for any direction. I would feel more risky being completely out of crypto right now than being in crypto. All right, I think it's always more risky to be out of crypto than in crypto, no matter what part of the cycle that you're in. All right, so let's continue. What would our measure move be if this was to break to the upside? All right, let's take a look. So we take our swing high to our swing low, and we actually extrapolate that to the upside. If this was to break to the upside, it would be a measured move depending on where you broke out. If you break out to the upside, it would be a measured move back up to about the $45,200 range. Why is that so important? We look left. We have topped out in that range once, twice, and 3 times. If we go back up there again, can we break it? I'm hoping we don't get rejected from there again if we go up and touch those regions. But I think there's a good likely chance that we will. We know the daily time frame. We're in this longer term ascending triangle pattern where we're getting higher lows, right? 1 higher low, 2 higher low, 3 higher low, and same rejection on the top side. So classic ascending triangle structure, right? And we're waiting for that back test of the 46K region. That's going to be our ticket. We get back above 46K. I think there's a very, very high possibility that we can go back up to 56K. I'm feeling confident. Guys, let me know in the chat if you're feeling a little confident. Let me know in the chat if you're feeling confident. It's not because, here's what I say. It's not because I'm being a moon boy, all right? I just have a little feeling in my jimborees that we're going to go to the upside here, all right? I just have a little feeling in my jimborees. Let me know in the chat if you also think that we are going back up to the upside, all right? Let me know in the chat, man. Bathwater said, I disagree. I still have saber powder, and I'll be fine if we go lower. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Be ready for both directions. If we go lower, we go higher. Be ready for both directions, man. What was the total crypto market cap last year at this time to date? Well, check it out, sensational. Space said yup. Fahid said yup. Cautiously optimistic. Let me know in the chat, guys. Let me know in the chat how confident you are. I want to see all the bulls in the chat. All right? I want to see it, man. Timmy said bullish. I went in hard the past 3 weeks. There you go, Chris. I've been going hard the last week or two as well, my friend. Because I made a little bit different of my philosophy. Moon. Kane said buy the top. Kane said buy the top. Bullish on Jimboree Tingles. Time to moon. MZ said boss. Gold going high or down? Well, check it out, man. Just remind me a little bit. If I forget about it, I apologize. Right? You guys gotta remember. Why is Jordan so bullish right now? Why is Jordan so bullish here on the weekly? Well, I'm not out of bed yet. Okay, I'm not out of bed. We gotta break it back about 46K for me to get super bullish. But I will continue to hype on this. Right? We get back above 46K. We get back above the weekly EMA ribbon. That's when I'm probably gonna get pretty confident. All right. Historically, when we're above the weekly EMA ribbon, we are in a bullish trend. Historically, all right? When we're below it, usually in a bearish trend. Right now, we're sitting right below it. We're actually sitting right at the bottom of it, actually right as we speak. Why am I bullish? Well, we got the bullish crossover on the on Market Cipher, right? We got the bullish crossover coming for the MACD. You actually zoom in on the MACD. We're getting close to a cross here, right? We stay relatively green this week. Going into next week, we could see the weekly MACD crossover here. We also have the stock RSI already crossed and moving back to the upside, right? So there's a lot of good things coming here on the weekly time frame chart. You're still going to have all the savvies. Don't listen to this friggin' clown. This guy doesn't know shit. We're going back down. This guy doesn't know absolute dog shit. We're going back down. This is just the Amazon fractal. I will say it again, guys. Stop listening to these jokers like Jordan. Stop listening to these jokers like BitBoy. Stop listening to these jokers like George, all right? They were all right during the bull market in 2018. Stop listening to these jokers, okay? I am always right. I shorted the bottom of the bear market in 2018, 2019, and 2020, guys. You should listen to me, all right? This is just simply an Amazon fractal. Stop listening to these freaking jokers, all right? It's the 5-wave back to the downside. I am always right, guys. I am always right. Continue to listen to Savvy. Savvy is always right, guys. Nothing has changed.
Nothing has changed.
Nothing has friggin' changed. Continue to listen to me. These jokers like BitBoy, George, Jordan, all these idiots have no idea what they're doing, all right? They're just a bunch of clowns. Okay, they're just a bunch of clowns. Other than that, see you guys. Make sure you guys short like me. Short all the way up. All right, see ya. I cannot lie, Savvy. I am a little bit of a clown. But guess what? Guess what, man? Guess what, man? I have been a right clown, baby. Have fun with this today. Wanna party? You know, sometimes I sit back and I'm like, we got all these grown men and grown women sitting here watching a guy as a clown with a clown mask. Some of your guys' wives are watching this. They'll be like, what the heck are you guys watching, man? Oh, God, man. It's too funny. Duke said you're creepy. That clown's got some moves. Of course, we're all clowns in the chat. We all got moves here. Come on, guys. We all got moves. What are you drinking? I'm not drinking anything. This is coffee, man. This is coffee. I'm not drinking anything, to be honest. God. The Jordan filter. It's always clown, man. It's always clown work. All right, 4 hour. Just to double check again, guys. On the bearish side, all right, we're kind of crapping on the bull bears a little bit here, like we always do. We always like to crap on the bears, right? We're gonna crap on the bears a little bit later in the stream, all right? But let's focus on this right now. 4 hour, we still have this rising wedge formation, right? We still have this rising wedge formation, which we have 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches. You know what? You know why it sounds like my voice is weird? When I drink coffee, my voice, my mouth gets super dry, and I have like no saliva in my mouth. It's kind of disgusting, actually. It's one of the only 2 times where I run out of saliva. I had to throw that joke in there. But, my voice gets super, super dry, and I run out of saliva in my mouth. And maybe that's why I sound weird, when I drink coffee. But, take it for what you will. Take it for what you will, man. I don't trust clowns. But anyways, we have a rising wedge coming on. So this is typically a bearish pattern. We're going to continue to watch this as we go on. We have 4 touches on the top side, 3 touches on the bottom side here. We haven't quite came back down and tested the bottom yet. Will we go sideways until we do? That's sort of the question here. Maybe we go sideways and then get another pump back up, right? To come back up and test that $45,000 region before coming back down, right? I mean, this would seem like a logical setup, though I don't think it's going to happen. I don't think it's going to happen. I think this is almost too obvious of a pattern coming on here. And I don't think it is going to play out like this. I don't. We are looking at a stock RSI cross back to the upside. No bullish divergence really in the 4 hours. So there's not a lot telling us here much on the 4 hour. MACD is kind of just chilling in the middle. Stock RSI is just kind of chilling in the middle. RSI is just kind of chilling in the middle. So indicators not really telling us too much at the current moment. I would more so still look at the daily time frame and say, all right, stock RSI is still topped out in the daily time frame. In the past, hasn't really meant too much. We've still moved to the upside. All right. Dump it. My wife just called us douches. I guess that's my touch. I guess that's my fault, man. Ada haters gonna be pissed. Ada pump. We'll check out Ada in a second, guys. I mean, listen, Bitcoin. Still looking at this downtrend of resistance broken from the all-time highs. I'm still waiting for a test at least at the 200, man. Listen, like, all in all, I'll say this. When Bitcoin's bullish, it's going to do whatever the heck it wants to do, when it wants to do it, how it wants to do it. All right, I'll continue to say this. You guys remember last summer? We had all this bearish stuff going on right here, man. I'll say this. Right here, I remember everyone was getting super, super bearish again. Everyone said, oh, we got bearish divergence. Oh, we got this. Oh, stock RSI and the daily's topped out. Daily RSI's topped out. What did Bitcoin do? It did not give a flying F what the heck anyone thought and just continued up from here, right? I remember daily RSI was topped out. Everyone was freaking out like we're going to come back down. Bitcoin did not give a flying F about any of these indicators, okay? So I will say again, when Bitcoin wants to be bullish and wants to be ready to be bullish, I don't know if that's now, but when it wants to be, it's not going to give a flying F about any of these indicators, right? Market Cipher, stock RSI, it's not going to give flying shit. So that's why I don't really care about the short-term time frames. I'll continue to say that. So, we look at them for you guys, but I will tell you again, and I'll even go back in time. You don't think Bitcoin was overbought here, right? You don't think Bitcoin was overbought right here? You don't think Bitcoin was overbought in this whole run up? Of course it was. 1,000 times. And it did not give 2 shits that it was. All right, so I'll continue to say that, guys. It's only as useful as you make it. It's not, I'll say, crypto's a different animal, all right? When crypto's going up, a lot of times it can give a sort of a middle finger to all these indicators, man. All right, so make sure you guys like the stream, by the way. Thank you, Waterfly, for reminding. Like the stream. I appreciate it, guys. Thank you for everyone in the chat that tells everyone and reminds everyone to like the stream. It's the best way you can help out the stream. I appreciate all you guys for being here. Nathaniel said weekly MACD. Yeah, we already looked at the weekly MACD. Weekly MACD is popping back up. I mean, everything looks good on the weekly time frame. We got the W reversal set up here, right? We have 2 lows, W reversal. All right, we got the MACD coming back up. We got Market Cipher coming back up. We got Stock RSI coming back up. We just got to get it back above the weekly EMA ribbon. That's sort of the last straw for me. We get back above that, I am going to be looking good, man. I'm going to be looking good. Looking very, very good. At least for a relief rally to the upside. I don't know how high we go. We'll get there when we get there. I'm thinking 56K if we break 46K. Once again, if we break 46K. But we'll see. We'll see when we kind of come up there what we're looking at, right? All right. I know everyone wants to look at Cardano real quick. We'll quickly jump on into Cardano and see what Cardano's doing. So Cardano broke over the $1 mark. You might be saying that's not a big deal. Well, we were looking at that as sort of the swing level, right? That was all the previous swing lows and we smack that to the upside. Once again, I'm telling you, these falling wedges don't friggin' lie. Let me know in the chat if you own Cardano. I want to see all the green pickles for everyone who owns Cardano. Let's friggin' go, baby. Up about 12% of the day, back above the dollar swing level. Let's get it, baby. I love it. Love all the pickles. Look at all the pickles in the chat. I love the pickles. All right? And no, I don't mean that. I mean that in the most non-sexual way possible. All right? I love all the pickles in the chat. I love the green candles to the upside. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. All right? Love it, love it, love it. Almost as much as I love chicken nuggets. I love chicken nuggets too, but I love green pickles more, man. Look at the chicken nugget. Doesn't this look so good? Doesn't this make you hungry, guys? Look at the chicken nugget on my face. This looks so good. Like, I would eat my face right now. Holy crap. This makes me want a McDonald's chicken nugget so bad. I might get a 20-piece tonight. No, I'm not going to do that. I'm probably going to eat purple Doritos tonight. But yeah, that's besides the point. Chicken nuggets are fire, man. Holy crap, that looks good. All right. So, anyways, Cardano back above $1. What does this mean? Well, we still have our measure move back up to 161. Still seems like a long shot, okay? It's not going to happen tomorrow once again. But that's our target, all right? That's our target here on the daily time frame. We still have this downtrend of resistance here. So for me, at least, where I'm looking right now for Cardano is you have the 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches coming back down from all-time highs. I'm looking for a back test. Now that we got back above the 20 EMA, now that we got back above the 50 EMA, I'm looking for at least a back test of this downtrend of resistance, man, right? They remind me of that orange head dude from YouTube. I'd take a bite. That looks so good. All right. But at least the back test of this downtrend of resistance, which right now would be right around the 120 mark. So 120, sorry guys, not 420, 120 is the target there. The first target that I'm looking for there. So, once again, all right, don't get this wrong, but taking the chug off the wheel, your man balls down to miniature poodle balls. All right, how about this, Clint? How about this? If I get safe, I'll chug. All right, deal just for Clint, only for Clint. For all Clint spins, if I get safe, I will chug. And safe is like 20% of the spin wheel, so you got that, man. But no, in all seriousness, man, you're taking 120. 120 is the target there. So you're looking for it. If that breaks, you're looking at the 200 EMA back up to 131. All right, now you're gonna have all the pencil necks in the chat. I'm waiting for all the pencil necks. Shout out to Crypto Face, calling everyone pencil necks. Cardano still sucks. Cardano still sucks. Yeah. Cardano still freaking sucks. You actually believe anything Charles says? This is still going back down to the downside. This is still going back down to the downside. Yeah, I'm a pencil neck. I know nothing about fundamentals. This is going back down to the downside. I'm just a bandwagoner. Cardano sucks. That laugh. The pencil neck laugh, man. That's the pencil neck laugh. But anyways, Cardano is coming back up. So listen. We still got a long way to go. But like many altcoins, many altcoins, is pencil neck point. Like many altcoins, right? We got back above the $1 level. That's the most important level that we have to get back above. And we did it. Let's friggin' go. All right. Awesome stuff there. Awesome stuff. All right. So let's actually quickly go to the weekly. I want to just reiterate the weekly still looks good. All right. The weekly still looks good to me. You got the market sniper flipping bullish, stock RSI flipping back to the upside. I actually want to add. I'll keep this like this. I actually want to have. It's okay. I mean, weekly's looking great. Weekly's looking good on Cardano at the moment, man. It's big getting back over that level, at least in the short term. We'll see if it lasts, but nice stuff there. Nice stuff. Weekly looking. You can't look more bullish on the weekly. It was really getting back over $1, man. I love it. Love it, love it, love it on Cardano. We'll check back in Cardano here shortly, but looking good, man. Looking good. Bathwater looks like an A to BTC. Let's look at A to BTC. See if it's at any important level here for my guy Bathwater. Let's see what you guys said in the chat. Anime Troop said, bro, my super chat wrecked yesterday on Optical. Did you see? Optical? No, dude, I didn't watch Optical, man. I apologize. Shit. Hold on, let me set a reminder on my phone, man. I feel bad now. I'll write it down here on my to-do list. Watch Optical Alerts video. Watch Optical Alert tomorrow. All right. I had to put it on my to-do list, man, because I always forget. So I will watch that tomorrow, man. I'm sure it's a great video. I'm sure I'm going to see a bunch of fib levels drawn, like usual. All right, so A to BTC. Actually, A to BTC looks pretty good in the weekly too. Yeah, same thing. Pretty good in the weekly there for A to BTC. I'm actually going to go to the daily on this and see if it actually retraced off a fib level. Because if this was a 678 retrace, which it looks like, not quite. But you're sitting right below the golden pocket zone. It's kind of the same thing, right? You get back above these previous swing lows, kind of like you saw on say the USD price. You're going to be cooking too. And this is also looking like it's in kind of a macro wedge pattern, though you still have room to work with there. But it looks like a big major macro wedge. So let's get back above the golden pocket zone here. But same thing on the A to Bitcoin pair. You get back up here, man. Test this resistance. We'll see. But the weekly, same thing, man. Weekly looks good. Ready to actually rock and roll there on the weekly. So good stuff there. All right, Bitcoin 42,514. Can we break it, guys? I need all my Vikings in the chat. Fishing for fun. I got you in a second, man. Vincent said, can you do Shiba? Support level and resistance, please. We can absolutely do Shiba. I need all my Vikings in the chat. All right? I need all my Vikings in the chat because I want to break this tonight. I don't want to play around, guys. I don't want to play around tonight. I don't want to play around tonight. I need all my Vikings in the chat to spam all the swords, all the shields. If you can't find a sword and shield emoji, I need you to absolutely just spam the word swords and shields. Just spam the word sword. Spam the word sword in the chat. All right? Seriously. You know why? Because us Vikings and us Bulls, aka us Bulls. Where's my guy here? Hold up. All us Vikings are going to pump Bitcoin over this resistance line right here in the daily time frame. We're going to do it tonight, and we're going to do it hard. Vikings! Assemble! We will push Bitcoin over this bull flag resistance tonight. I need all you to spam the swords, spam the shields, and we will break Bitcoin over this bull flag resistance. It is a mere resistance for us bulls. These bears have no balls. They have 0 balls. Look at how much I kicked them. Did you just see that kick? They have no balls. Push them back. We will push them back and we will test the uptrend of resistance on the wedge. Let's friggin' go, bulls. I love it. I love seeing all the bulls in the chat. I love it, man. All right, seriously, guys, let's break this right now. Let's break this right now. I want to see it. I want to see it broken, and I want to see a Bitcoin pump on stream. I really do. So let's hope it breaks. We're coming back up right now. 42,600. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let me chug this coffee so I'm even more hype. Let's go. Oh God, I'm gonna be so hyper in like 20 minutes. All right, I'm already hyper, as you guys can tell. All right, so let's see what happens. Let's see if we break this resistance line. Let's freaking go. I love it, man. I love it. Jordan looks good with a beard. Were you trying to make fun of my old beard, man? You trying to make fun of my old? Karen's gonna have a word with you in like 10 minutes, man. I'm telling you. Karen's gonna have a word with you, man. All right, all the bowls in the sink. Put all the bowls in the sink. Jordan looks like the wildling from the Game of Thrones. He pushed that bear. He push that bear's balls back. Let's see the bear get kicked in the nuts again. I love it, man. Boom! I can't wait to do that to Savvy. I cannot wait to do that to Savvy again. Again, man. I love doing that to Savvy. It's the best. All right, Clint, I got you on the spin. Fishing for Fun said, what are your thoughts on Ethereum 2 release in June for long-term holders? Do you think it will break Bitcoin pattern in long run? Thanks. Yeah, I mean, I'm super, super bullish on ETH. I actually have an awesome ETH chart that we're going to look at in just a second here. An awesome ETH chart. All right, there's a couple awesome ETH charts. ETH is looking so juicy for multiple different reasons. Let me know in the chat if you guys are bullish on ETH. Let me know in the chat if you want to see the ETH chart that I'm talking about. All right. Well, it's multiple charts. It's what we always look at. But ETH, I am so bullish on ETH right now. You guys know I'm always bullish on ETH. ETH to me is the best risk to reward ratio to invest in. All right. You might argue smaller cap alts, but as far as balancing your risk and reward, I love Ethereum, and that's why Ethereum is my #1 holding in my portfolio, and will continue to will be. Bitcoin will always be #2 though. All right. So Bitcoin is coming back up to test this resistance. Let's see what goes down here. Let's see what goes down, man. We're going to watch Bitcoin here shortly. If this breaks up, hey guys, if this breaks up right here, you could be seeing some nice moves in my opinion. You know what I mean? Know what I'm saying? All right, so that's BTC. Let's actually real quick. I'm sure ETH is moving up too. So let's go see. ETH is my biggest holding. It should be, man. ETH should be. I'm kind of biased here. I think ETH should be everyone's biggest holding. That's just me. But hey, it is what it is. No, people won't agree with me. All right, let's go over here and see what's going on with ETH. So ETH, we know, broke this. So bada bing, bada boom. ETH has gone to the upside. We still haven't got over the 200 EMA. So that's what I'm watching here. But here's what I'm looking at, guys. Here's what I'm looking at for ETH. Here's what I'm looking at for ETH. Let's go to the weekly time frame real quick. Let me go back. Just check BTC. Oh, it's right on the cusp. It's right on the cusp of glory, guys. Also, guys, swords now. Guys, we need more swords. We need more swords. Give me all the swords. In the chat, right? We don't have enough swords. We are right at resistance. This is ridiculous. I don't see any more swords. Spam swords in the chat. Spam them. All right, so let me go back to ETH right now. Why do I love ETH? Why do I love ETH? Now, you guys always know. You got to troll me on this. I already know I'm going to get trolls in the chat because of this. But hear me out. All right, hear me out. Here's why I'm bullish on ETH, man. It's very, very simple. Very, very simple, and I know I'm going to get trolls for this. I 100% know I'm going to get trolls, but keep this in mind, guys. Jordan, you always sell us not to compare the current price action to 2017. You always say that, and now you're such a hypocrite. You're such a hypocrite. You only do that when you want to compare the bullish bias. You're such a moony. You're such a moony, Jordan. You're as moony as I am on meatloaf as you are on ETH. Mom is so dumb. All right, guys. You guys gonna troll me on this, but I know. Hold on. All right, Bitcoin. I'm still checking on Bitcoin. Bitcoin's still at resistance. All right. Hear me out here. All right. Why do I love ETH? Why do I love ETH, man? All right, so look at these two patterns right here. All right, now it's obviously smaller term time frames. ETH has done this exact same thing in the past. All right, the exact same thing in the past. And I don't like to compare, but when it's so perfect, it's hard for me not to compare. All right, it's hard for me not to compare, especially on the longer term time frame charts. Short term time frames, it is what it is. All right, ETH, you guys see what we're doing right now. All right, ETH is sort of making this higher low, same resistance on the top side structure. All right, and you can see what we did right here. We're making a W reversal pattern on the second back test. All right, why is that important to see? Well, it's not only that. Before we jump on into it, we got the bullish cross on Market Cipher. Right, we got the bullish cross on the stock RSI. RSI has plenty of room to the upside. So you guys can see ascending triangle structure, W reversal, and everything else moving back to the upside. All right. Let's go back in time real quick, right? You actually have the same exact thing that happened in 2017 where you had two tests to the downside, right? You came back down, right? You guys can see the second back test, you continue back to the upside, right? You've actually been pretty parabolic from there. You had the same Is he drinking again? I'm not drinking. I actually haven't been. No, I actually haven't been drinking. The last time that I've been drunk on stream is when you guys made me chug like 3 drinks on one stream. That's it. That's it. That's the only time, man. Maybe it's because I had coffee in my mouth and it's a little bit. I have a little bit of cotton mouth. Not because of why you guys are thinking, but because of that same thing. So, listen. It's almost too perfect, right? It's almost too perfect. I love it. I love the setup, right? I think that we could be somewhere right here in this range, you know? I love the setup. I think it's going to continue, all right? We'll see if it happens. I'm going to continue to compare it, all right? I know you guys hate comparisons, but I'm going to continue to compare it, man. Continue to compare it. All right, this is getting all kind of jacked up. What's BTC doing? BTC got rejected again, man. Come on, dude. Come on, BTC. Why you got to do it to us, dude?
Bitcoin's going to 10K.
Because Bitcoin's going all the way back to 10K, guys. We got rejected. Time to pack it up. I'll see you guys later. I got a real good feeling. I got a real good feeling. I got a feeling deep in my bones. Oh, I got a real good feeling. I'm just kidding. It's not Jeb. This is not Jeb's stream, man. It's not Jeb's stream. All right, keep that in mind. All right, so get out. Of course, it got rejected. Said JW. Of course, it did. All right. Same here. 40% of portfolio ETH. Vitalik for president. Let's go, man. ETH is probably, I don't know. I don't even know, man. It changes every day. I would say it's probably 30, in the 30s. Somewhere in the 30% of my portfolio. Somewhere in that range. But I couldn't tell you the exact amount, man. Jeb, is that you? All right. Clint said 2 spins. I got you, Clint, on the 2 spins, man. I'm bullish on the 2 spins, let me tell you. All right. ADA is kind of continuing back up here. I'm going to kind of jump around today, guys, because that's sort of what we do when the market's kind of, these altcoins are coming back up. ADA's continuing up. 110 on ADA. Let's get another pump song for ADA, man. Let's go. We're coming back up here, man. We're coming back up to 120. 120's coming for ADA. Let's go, baby. Let me do a poll real quick. Do you think ADA ever gets back to all-time high? Let me know in the chat. Do you think ADA ever gets back to all-time high? Let me know in the chat. You can put it in the chat if you want. Also vote on the poll, guys. Make sure you guys keep smacking up that like button, guys. Smack up that like button to a new all-time high. You know, if you guys like the stream, right? If you guys like the stream, I already know what kind of video is coming tonight from my guy George, right? Let's have George. He'll give you guys a preview of his video tonight. I am George. We're all George. Guys, today we're going to talk about how I am so bullish on Cardano and why you guys should be investing in Cardano. Okay, so if you guys like the video, make sure you guys smack up the like button. And let's jump right on in. So, guys, Cardano is going absolutely nuts today. It's up about 12%. Once again, I am totally not hyping up Cardano because it is pumping. I love Cardano. I never pump coins that are already pumped up. You guys should definitely invest in Cardano. It is fundamentally one of the best. You have to trust Charles Hoskinson, one of the best leaders in the space. Continue to invest in Cardano. It is the greatest investment you guys can make, in my opinion. Other than that, guys, let's quickly do some Q&A. Do some quick Q&A, guys. Scrolling up. Okay. Are you talking about Cardano only because it's pumping? No, that's a stupid question, man. That's a stupid question. All right, that's all I have. That's all. I'm out of here, guys. See ya. All right, there we go, man. Here we go. All right. You gotta love it. You already know the video that's coming out tonight, man. 2027 is back. Nice, man. We already talked about it yesterday. That was quick. All right. BTC's chilling. That's a big... I'm not answering that. I'm not answering that. All right, so that's Cardano. Let's go check out, actually, real quick. Someone asked about Shiba. What is the SHIB army doing? Is the SHIB army ready to celebrate just yet? Let's go check out the SHIB army, man. Who's part of the SHIB army? Let's go, SHIB army. So we have SHIB. Actually, SHIB might be... Oh, no, not quite yet. So SHIB is still consolidating here, guys. Still consolidating in this symmetrical triangle formation here. If you connect the wicks, we're still in it. We're kind of chilling right below both the 50 EMA and the 20 EMA. We actually got a wick right off the 50 today. And we are looking to close below the 200. We have 20 minutes until the daily close, guys. So let's see what happens here on SHIB. In order for me to get super bullish on SHIB, we got to break this. So at the moment, the daily is whatever, man. A lot of these coins are slightly overbought on the daily, on the stocks and on market cipher there. You actually check the daily EMA ribbon. Still below the daily EMA ribbon fully. Let me go to the weekly time frame. Not too much data on the weekly to look at. Let me go to the 4 hour. The 4 hour. Let's see. Anything really on the 4 hour here? No bearish divergence on the 4 hour. You're good to go there. 4 hour stocks are slightly topped out. I would say this, like, it's one of those things where, you know, the market's generally bullish, at least right now, right? Short term. You know, you're seeing a general uptrend for a lot of altcoins for the last week or so. Right now, there's nothing super bearish on this chart just yet. And I think it has the juice to get back above. Just be careful, though, because some like the 4 hour stock RSIs, the daily stock RSIs are slightly topped out. You know, and I don't always recommend people buying the tops of these formations. You want to buy it at the lows. So right now, I would say it's pretty 50-50 whether this breaks right now. Right? I would say if Bitcoin has one more slight move to the upside, you could definitely see Doge. Or SHIB and really Doge. Doge is kind of the same situation. You can see SHIB breaking this to the upside here. If Bitcoin can at least hold up, and especially if it can break to the upside, you'll see SHIB break to the upside. Right? And I think most of these alts are going to break to the upside, man. I'll continue to say it. I do believe most of these alts will break to the upside because I do believe Bitcoin's going higher. So if this does break out, let's say it breaks out tomorrow, right? Just for an example. Say it breaks out for tomorrow. Measure move would be for about 0.00043 would be the measure move there. So keep that in mind. And like I keep saying, guys, when the market gets bullish, for whatever reason, the market gets bullish. Not going to say it's going to continue, but if it does continue to stay bullish, a lot of these indicators you can throw right out the window, man. You really can. That's why I'm not always going to follow these, because I've been around when crypto is super bullish multiple times. All right, they don't care. They don't give a shit about these indicators. All right, they're gonna go up when they want to. And I know lately we've been used to the sideways action. So, you know, the traders are like, oh, the traders, oh yeah, we're going to time the tops, time the bottoms. Do you think these indicators really mattered back here? You think any of these indicators really mattered right here? You think they really mattered right here? Look at any altcoin. They didn't matter. So keep that in mind. I will say there will be a time where none of this crap really matters and it'll just go to the upside. Not going to say it's going to be right now, even though I do think it's coming very soon. There's going to be a time, man. There's going to be a time. Make love to me, Ada. I will. Ada's going to make love to you, man. Ada's going to make love to you, just like, you know, Melissa's going to make love to Clint tonight. Hey, Clinty. I'm still waiting for you tonight, baby. I'm still waiting for you tonight, Clinty. Jabba's not alive yet. He'll be back tomorrow, but, you know, I got a little juice for you tonight, Clint. You want some juice? I heard you got a big green pickle over there. Clinty boy. Someone said yesterday, Jordan, you're way too good at acting like that. Listen, man. I already won an Oscar. I won an Oscar for my acting skills, okay? I already did. Oh, here comes BTC. Here he comes, baby. Can Bitcoin get back above this, though? We got the daily close coming up. Can Bitcoin stay back above that, man? Clint said I didn't hit that. Oh, God. No, he's being serious, too. I bet he's being dead serious. Clint, please don't tell me you hit the girl version of me, man. Please don't tell me that. That's going to give me nightmares. That is going to give me absolute nightmares. All right, come on, BTC. Come on, BTC. Let's get it, baby. Vikings, swords. We need the swords. Where are the swords, man? Come on. Where's the swords? Where's my Viking helmet? Here it is. Oh, I want this one, man. New Viking. Vikings! This one's badass. Vikings! The beard even moves. Assemble! We will break the uptrend of resistance. This is it. Spam the swords. Spam the shields in the chat. We will break this resistance to the upside. Oh, man. It's too funny. She's going to get screwed. She will. She will, man. BTC pumps. Launch it. Come on, BTC. Don't fail us here, baby. Don't fail us here. I turned into a pump. I got the swords. Let me see him in the chat. Thoughts on Ethereum Classic price action? Yeah, Ethereum Classic, we'll touch on it in a second. Ethereum Classic just pulling back, man. It's had crazy days. A couple crazy days over the last couple of days. So keep that in mind, man. Keep that in mind. Look at this beard. It moves. Bears rise. All right, so reverse, LOL. I don't know what that means, fishing for fun. I'm not going to say that. All right, let me do a quick spin for Clint because Clinty Boy wants a spin. Clinty Boy wants a spin. Like the stream, guys. Like the stream. You guys know what to do already. Like the stream for Bitcoin. Hopefully getting a little bit of move up here. Let's get back over 1,000 viewers tonight. Can we get the stream back over 1,000 viewers? I can only do it with you guys if you hit that like button, man. Seriously. I appreciate you guys for being here. Thank you guys for being here. We're going to do 2 spins for Clint. You know, let's see. ApeCoin is going to put everyone in disbelief. I'm sure it is, man. I'm sure it's going to be the next Shibby. How's ApeCoin doing? ApeCoin. Let's see. She'll tell you in the chat. Mike, can you tell everyone in the chat, can you tell all the fellow Vikings in the chat your top 3 holdings? Thank you. All right, she's going to tell you guys in the chat her top 3 holdings. Yes, she is a crypto addict. Well, she used to be. Right now she's bored of crypto. But she used to be a crypto addict. She actually used to watch me every day on stream before we even started talking. She's still doing it. She's here though. But good call up. Good question, man. All right, so Ape's moving up. It's like there's not enough price action on Ape to really do any type of TA on it, to be honest. But Ape's moving up. Ape's slowly moving up. You know, I would say that you kind of, it's respecting these fib levels, kind of, right? You got resistance on the 236, resistance on the 382. You're coming back up. You haven't quite hit the 0.5 fib yet. That's at 1372. And then you got the big golden pocket zone, right? 618 is at 1471. I wouldn't be surprised if you slowly crush these, right? You know, we know. Listen, I looked at a little bit into the ApeCoin today. I don't mind the fundamentals, man. I don't mind the fundamentals on it. And also, we know people love their animal coins, right? Even though it's not a meme coin, people love their animal coins too. So I wouldn't be surprised if this continues up. Looking for actually the highest daily close of all time for Ape coming in tonight. If we do close where we are right now. So keep that in mind, guys. All right, here comes Bitcoin. We're playing the pump song, man. I'm doing it. Screw it. Hey. Moon helmet's back on, baby. I always knew y'all was a little sus. There we go. All right. Let's see. 7.7 million ape will be unlocked every month for 48 months. Let's find out, man. Let's find out. Sugar Daddy. I haven't had this on in so long, man. Let me get this dust off of it. Oh, man. Oh, man. Let me get this dust off of this crap. Oh, man. So dusty. So dusty, man. Oh, God, dude. So ridiculously dusty today. God, man. I already see the pencil necks coming back again. Here come the pencil necks. Look at Jordan. Look at Jordan. He's getting pumped over 43,000. Like, this guy's such an idiot. Grit those socks, man. I'm going short. Look at Jordan. I'm such a pencil neck. Look at my neck. I'm going short right now. I always short Bitcoin. That's a freaking laugh. That's the pencil neck laugh, man. I love the pencil neck laugh. Here comes BTC. All right. Let's see if we can break 43K. Let's see if we can get back above 43K in the short term here. 42,915. Let's see if we can break it, man. Keep smacking up that like button, though. Smack up that like button. For all the pencil necks in the chat, I know there are a lot of pencil necks in the chat, man. I'm a pencil neck and I'll short. Pencil neck, man. Pencil neck it. Pencil neck it. Keep this as stomach and laugh on the pencil necks. Oh, man. It's not really pumping up fast. I mean, it's pumping up slow. Slower than it does sometimes. MACD's looking juicy. The hourly MACD's looking pretty juicy, yeah. We got the bullish cross of the MACD. 4 hours coming back up on the MACD. Looking pretty good. I mean, the 4 hour stock's got room to run. 4 hour RSI has room to run. So if Bitcoin wants to move, it can move. Right? Hourly's got room to run to the upside as well. If it wants to move, it will move, man. My rising wedge is breaking out. Not quite just yet, Bathwater. My rising wedge is not breaking out just yet, man. The 5-minute chart. ADA's mooning right now. 110 on ADA, man. Listen. I know everyone wants to hate on ADA. ADA's having a girthy day today. 13%. 13%, man. The Bears get wrecked right now. Keep kicking the Bears in the nuts, man. I love kicking the Bears in the nuts. Even if, like, however long it lasts, I love kicking the Bears in the nuts. Kick them in the nuts again, man. Boom! Love to kick them in the nuts. I love it. One of my favorite things. One of my freaking favorite things, man. Slow is better.
Has Java risen from the dead yet?
Has Java risen from the dead yet? Michael, not yet, man. Listen, I'm not going to tell you when he's coming back. It's going to be a surprise. You will never know. I will tell you this. It should be this week. All right? My two guys that are working on him right now should be ready this week. All right? But I'm not going to tell you when. It's going to be a surprise. Could happen at any point. Could happen in 5 minutes. We'll have a special thing coming on when Java's back, okay? It should be this week. You know? I should say 100% will be this week, but you never know what happens, right? But it should be this week. If not, well, I'm not going to spoil it. I'm not going to spoil it. Long girthy, but almost, Mike. All right, let me do a spin for Clint. I keep forgetting, man. Clint, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry, Clint. Clint probably hates me right now. All right, let's do this. Send that video to Savvy, please. It's one of my favorite memes, seeing the Bears kicking the nuts. All right, let's split it. Job is only fun when he's wrecked. Facts. All right, God damn it. I said I would chug when I'm safe. God damn it. Of course I got safe. You gotta be kidding me. I have the worst luck. Always the one that I don't want to get, I get. Always, man. All right, let's see. All right, truth or dare. So I got a chug and I got a truth or dare. God damn it. Why did I say that? It's my own fault. I said only for Clint, though, because Clint is the homie. And Clint got mad. All right, we're back above 1,000 viewers. Holy moly, for the first time in a while. I love it, man. Why? Because the market's going up. That's what happens. All right. So, 111 for Cardano. Cardano's killing it right now, guys. I'm not going to play another pump song for Cardano. But Bitcoin's still chilling right about 43K. I'm trying to see if... I mean, the 4 hour's looking good, man. The 4 hours looking good. I want to get a close, preferably above the previous 4 hour close, right about here. Right at about 40. It's right at 43K. So let's hope for a 4 hour close above 43K. All right, here it comes. Here he comes. Slowly but surely here. Slowly but surely. We're making our way up. Gonna dump hard, y'all? Could be. Obviously be careful. I mean, you know the market makers love to do these double tops. Just be careful. Don't FOMO in. I never recommend FOMOing. If you bought down here, we can party. If you didn't buy, I wouldn't. Obviously, if you're holding long term, you can buy whenever you want. But if you're in a long, I don't know about right now. Just be careful, though. They love to do the one touch, come back down, come back up, reverse it back down. All right, so just be careful of that. You are still in a rising wedge after all. But I like what I'm seeing, man. I like what I'm seeing at least right now. So let's pump the brakes. So right now it's still a trader's market, right? Right now it's still not a bull market, a bull's market. It's still a trader's market because we're still in a range. So keep that in mind. Don't call me Shirley. Don't call me Shirley, man. I'm gonna call you Shirley. Let's let's go look at ETH. Where's ETH, man? What's ETH doing? ETH is coming up a little bit too. 3,033. It's not a huge move on ETH just yet. Let's go to the 4 hour on ETH. So you're still looking to break this resistance here on ETH. Chilling right at resistance, actually. Flip it and reverse it. Right here. Boss time to FOMO. What's going on, Nick? Clear him to spin 5x. All right, we're going to look at some alts in a second, guys. It's, you know, listen, we're not used to Bitcoin going up like this on stream. This is like the first time this has happened in months. I'm growing a huge beard because of it, man. But it's good stuff. It's fun stuff. It's fun stuff when it happens. Right? It's fun stuff when you can go like this. That's fun stuff, man. All right. You guys saying here. Wait for crap candles. Let's see total, man. Yeah, total's getting close to breaking out here too, man. Look at total. Oh, guys, I forgot about this fractal. Man. Hold up. Why is it all kind of jacked up? Why is it like this on your stream? Oh, because it's the friggin' green. Ah, God. Because it's green. Let me change the color real quick, guys. Because it's green. There we go. Look at this fractal here, guys. So this is the total market cap fractal. This is from 2018. This is from the 2018 bear market bottom. All right. 2018 bear market bottom. Let me check on BTC. We're good. All right. 2018 bear market bottom. We look at this fractal, man. It's not perfect, but this is the exact same thing that happened in 2018 bottom. You had sort of this ascending triangle structure, right? It's not perfect. It's not meant to be perfect. Ascending triangle structure. We had higher low, came back up. Right now we are sort of following it, right? Sort of following it. We had one initial move up, came back down to the bottom, came back up, came back down to the bottom. Now we're coming back up. I'm watching this, all right? Now you might be calling me crazy. You might be calling me a little bit crazy. You might be saying, Jordan, you're off your rocker a little bit. Why I might not think I'm off my rocker on total market cap, man, is this. We actually retrace to the 382 Fibonacci. You actually take the swing high to the swing low. You actually look at the retraces. This is the 382 Fibonacci level. Where did we retrace to, right? 382 Fibonacci before we ended up breaking to the upside in 2018. Why is this similar? Let's go back to 2018 real quick. Let's go all the way back to 2018. Bada bing, bada boom. All the way back down here. Look at all this price action. Look at when all the bears were wrong, man. All right, let's go back over here. So what did we do in 2018? You see we came back down to the bottom. This is from the swing highs to the swing lows. Where did we retrace to? Bada bing, bada boom. The 382 Fibonacci. Pulled back. Came back up to the 382 Fibonacci again. Pull back. And then what did we do? We went to the upside. All right, so a lot of similarities there. We actually retraced to the golden pocket zone too. And that's sort of the target we're looking at, is right at that 56K range if this was to continue to play out similar. Now, why do I think we're going to break to the upside? Look at the RSI. RSI has already broken out, back tested, and continue back to the upside. You know what I mean? So there's a lot of nice things going on there in the crypto market cap. And there's a lot of nice things going on in general, man. There's a lot of nice things going on in general that we're going to take a look at shortly. Bitcoin actually just pushed to 43K as I was blabbering on about a fractal you guys don't care about. So I love it. I love it, man. We're going to check out some altcoins in a second, guys.
Wrap up. We're
give me
going
2
to the
seconds.
moon.
All right. Let me actually look at, we did SHIB. We did SHIB. We did ETH Classic. So ETH Classic, what's going on with ETH Classic? Just real quick on ETH Classic. ETH is looking to actually break out in a second here if it can.
Can you please check out
ETH Classic just pulled back, man. And just remember, look at ETH Classic on the daily.
how does Sheila
It's not sustainable, right?
pleasure watching your life?
Not sustainable. You already got the breakout on the W reversal. That's all you were looking for, right? Breakout on the W. One touch, came back up. Second touch, continue back to the upside, right? It's not sustainable. You were due for a pullback, and that's what you got. 4-hour time frame has set nicely. If you want to continue up, you definitely can here now. 1 hour, we're set nicely, has room to run to the upside. So a nice little pullback there in ETH Classic. That's exactly what you wanted, right? Will it continue? I mean, I wouldn't be surprised. I mean, you moved from 25 bucks to about 50 bucks. You did 2x in 3 days, you know, so take that for what you will. You'll probably be, I wouldn't be surprised if you pull back even more, even to back test this level at $37 before continuing up. But still, I'm still looking at all the way back up here at 58.60, which is the 236 Fibonacci level. And sort of this W reversal breakout target too at 65.26. Wouldn't be surprised. Sounded crazy a couple days ago. Doesn't sound so crazy now, right? Doesn't sound crazy now. All right, we got the daily close in 1 minute. 1 minute here in the daily close, man. DJ Terra said, I think 44K tomorrow and then dump. We'll find out, man. ETH Classic. ETH Classic. I love ETH Classic. I love ETH Classic. It's only that one. When I say Ethereum, I say it normally. ETH Classic. Try to say ETH Classic. Try, you know what? Try to, guys, to yourself, try to say ETH Classic 3 times, let's say 5 times fast. Try to say ETH Classic 5 times fast by yourself, right? ETH Classic, ETH Classic, ETH Classic, ETH Classic, ETH. I guess it's not that hard. Maybe I just say it like that. I have no idea why I say it like that, man. With all the gongo upping gongo right now, can we look at Crow Pump 2, please? Also, I see you at Mirage in a couple weeks, 100 boobs. Nice, man. Elliot, I will see you at the Mirage, man. Once again, for anyone that doesn't know just yet, all right, we just got the daily close. Bitcoin closed at 42,886. We're going to Vegas, all right? We're going to Vegas. I'll be there. Maya will be there. And some other cool people will be there, all right? I'm staying at the Mirage from April 8th to the 14th. If you guys want to be there, just go. Just go. Make sure you're in the Discord. We're all going to meet up. I'll be there for a week. I'm going to be going out probably every day. You know, as long as my body can last. So if you guys are there, hit me up. We'll be there. Just a shout out 8th to the 14th in April. If you guys aren't busy. I know it's close now, right? But this is what it is. But Elliot, I'm glad I'll see you there, man. Glad I'll see you there, dude. That's awesome. ETH graphic. So 42,916. Bitcoin closed at about 42,875. Let's see if it can continue up here on the daily close. I love it. As always, guys, smack up that like button for Bitcoin doing something on today's stream, right? At least doing something. I love it. Absolutely love it. All right, so other than that, let's go look at Crow, guys. Let's go look at Crow. Let me bring up my Crow face here real quick. My bird face. Where's my bird face here, man? I still got to do the chug. I apologize. I sort of forgetting about the chug here, guys. Where's my bird? Where's my bird? Dude. Oh, here it is. All right, we obviously got to have the Crow face to look at Crow, man. So let's go look at Crow. I got to add Crow to my sidebar here. Crypto.com coin. Let's see. What's going on with Crow? Is there any chance of this catching up to the rest of the market? We haven't quite seen it just yet. But just like a lot of different things, I think it's just getting ready, man. I think it's just getting ready. So let's see. Let's see. It's just consolidating, getting ready. It's getting ready for that move. It hasn't seen it just yet, like some other altcoins, but it's getting there. It will get there. Have patience. Have some patience. We're making our way back up to the top of the top of the range here. All right. So keep that in mind. And you already broke out of sort of a smaller term downtrend here, which was right there, and you actually came back down, back tested previous resistance, and continued up. Beautiful stuff. I mean, overall, I should take it like this. Overall, let's go to the weekly. Weekly market cipher is coming back up to flip. Yeah, man. I would say the weekly looks juicy, man. Weekly looks juicy, just like it does on every single alt. It's getting ready for the flip, man. It hasn't quite done it just yet, but it's getting ready. Daily stocks are a little bit topped out. But at this point where you are in the trend, it just makes sense to come back up and test the top of the range here, which is at about 45 bucks. Where do those both coincide? Right at the top of that downtrend of resistance from all-time highs too. So right about 45 cents, you probably get a little resistance there. But ultimately, like I said, for many other altcoins, I believe, right, don't trade off this, don't invest on this, but I believe that we're going up from here. All right, I'll continue to say it. I am bullish this time. If I'm wrong, but I'll continue to say it. I'm bullish we go up from here. But probably expect a little resistance here at about 45 cents. Daily stocks topped out. Like we said, the 4 hours probably getting up there today. Yeah, 4 hours topped out on RSI and stock RSI. So don't be surprised if we get a short-term little resistance there. Where's BTC? So 42,933 for BTC. Let's get it, man. Let's get it. Let me take off my bird helmet here. LRC goes up. That's a serious-looking pecker. Oh, you want to see a serious-looking pecker, man? I'll show you a serious-looking pecker. I'll sell you one. No. I'll show you a serious. Nah, I don't have a serious looking pecker. I'm not gonna do that actually. Not gonna do that. That's a peckerhead. All right. I got my White Claw here. I'm watching a bird. Yeah. Stonky Kong said I'm watching a bird give TA. Hey, listen, best TA in the game, man.
We're going to 100K
I'm totally
tomorrow.
kidding. I'm totally kidding, man. I have fun on my streams. My streams are for fun. Let me know in the chat if you're having fun today, man. It's fun watching prices go up. Let me tell you. I mean, even if they were going down, it's fun watching the prices do something other than go sideways, right? That's what I'm talking about. Let me know in the chat if you're having fun today, guys. All right. I got the White Claw here. All right. I'm going to chug it. I'm going to chug it to you. Let me refresh this real quick. I don't want to chug it, but it's all because of Clint, man. Clint's making me chug. Please show us your green pickle. I don't know about the green pickle, man. Look at Total 2, man. Total 2 super bullish too. Total 2 broke out of this descending triangle. I love it. I love it. I think altcoins are coming back up to at least test the all-time high resistance line, right? 1, 2, 3 tests. I think altcoins are coming back up to test this at the very, very least, man. Very, very least. Gotta play the pump song while I chug this for both the Total 2 market cap, which is altcoins, all right? Everything excluding Bitcoin. Play the pump song while I chug this. I have to chug this by the end of the pump song or it doesn't count, all right? Here we go. Here we go. Cheers. Oh, it's so fizzy. Oh, so fizzy. Oh. It's so fizzy, man.
I won a 12-pack of mango white claws wheeling.
Oh. Oh, God. Oh, excuse me, guys. Oh, God. I sound like Bob after he ate some meatloaf. God damn. Bob's over here going, bleh, bleh, bleh. Oh, that meatloaf. The freaking meatloaf. Oh. Oh. Bleh, 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 bleh. The freaking Mom, what did you do to the meatloaf tonight? I can't even take this. What did you do to the meatloaf? You put extra seasoning in there? Oh God! Oh, friggin' Mama Camirand put too much friggin' seasoning in the meatloaf tonight. Don't blame it on Bob. Don't sleep. Nice. Bacardi. All right. Anyways. 42,878 for BTC. So we're just chilling at the moment for BTC. Looked at Crow. Maya, what was your 3 biggest holdings?
I don't share my shit.
Okay, she doesn't share her shit. Never mind. She does not share her shit. She does not share her shit. What's Jordan's 3 biggest holdings? ETH, Bitcoin, and Matic. All right, there you go. She doesn't share her shit. Okay? But let me tell you, she has a good mentor. So she'll know what to do.
Bruh.
He's like, don't listen to Jordan. All right, here we go. So, Fishing for Fun said Frontier. We'll check out Frontier in a second, man. This is the best. Bullish on the likes, guys. Yeah, keep smacking the likes, guys. We're having a lot of fun tonight. A lot of fun tonight. I can tell there's a lot of positivity right now. And listen, I know a lot of people will say, all right, oh, these moon boys are just getting pumped because the prices are going up. Listen, you know me. I told you guys I'm not getting out of bed till we get to 46, till Bitcoin breaks 46K. We break 46K, I think we all bets are on. All bets are on. We break 46K, in my opinion. But I think it's still important to stay positive and have fun, even in the meantime. Okay, so I'll continue to say for everyone that's saying, "Oh, Jordan, just a moon boy." No, I'm not just a moon boy, but I'm gonna have fun when the market's positive because life's too short not to have fun. Really, anytime. You should be having fun every time, but especially when you're seeing green on the charts, green for altcoins, it's important to stay positive, important to sort of look at things in a positive note, right? At least that's the way I look at it, as a hodler, right? I'm not a trader. So I like to have fun when the prices go up. Stay positive. I love the positivity in the chat. I love the pickles. Can we get the kissy faces in the chat again? Can I see all the kissy faces, all the heart faces in the chat again? I love it. I love all the kissy faces and the heart faces. Let me see them in the chat. Mario, will you sign my pickle in Vegas? Yes. I will 100% sign your pickle, man. Just ask me after I have a few beers, and I will 100% sign your pickle. 100%, man. All right. Was it Frontier worth holding? We'll check out Frontier. Let's go check out Frontier real quick, guys. If you guys are new to the stream, make sure you guys subscribe, by the way. Subscribe if you're new to the stream. And we have a lot of fun here, man. We have a lot of fun. My streams are fun, man. Listen, a lot of people like to hate on my stream. Say, oh, you know, this guy is such a clown. Listen, I'll tell you this. No one has more fun on this stream. No one has more fun on their streams than I do, okay? Everyone else acts super serious. I'm going to tell you guys right now, no one has any idea what they're talking about, right? None of these guys have any idea what they're talking about, right? None of these guys. No streamer has any idea what they're talking about. Me included. I have no idea what I'm talking about. But I'll tell you this right now. I have the most fun, and that's what's important. You should watch someone that you like, enjoy watching, and have fun with, not because they know something that you don't. Trust me, none of these guys know shit, right? But we have fun, and that's why we're here, right? Seriously. We have fun. Subscribe if you're new. Appreciate you guys. All right, let's see. Let's go check out Frontier. So we know Frontier. What's going on, DJ? We got a bunch of DJs in there. We got DJ Flexa. We got DJ Terra. I think I saw another one earlier too. Maybe I'm wrong. We got all of them in the chat right now. I love it. Love it, man. Bullish on the DJs. Clown confirmed. All right. So let's go check out this on the daily time frame, man. EXO. Let's see. Frontier. I think we said last time, Frontier's just in a big, listen, it's in a big wedge formation. A giant wedge formation. Big macro wedge formation, man. Seriously. This is all you need to look at. Look at it. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. If you don't appreciate this wedge, I don't know what to tell you. If you don't appreciate this wedge, you can take this wedge and shove it right up your ass. All right? That's how much I love this wedge. So appreciate this wedge. Take it for what you will. I think it's going to break to the upside. Just like we've seen with many other altcoin wedges. And this one's huge. This is a huge freaking wedge. It's massive. Let's look at the weekly. Are you getting a weekly crossover? You already got a weekly crossover on Market Cypher. You already got a weekly crossover on stock RSI. Weekly RSI has plenty of room to run to the upside, right? But let's see, man. Let's see. I like what I'm seeing there on the longer term time frames. I love the weekly chart. Daily, All right, daily, just be careful. We're at resistance. Don't FOMO in, okay? Just because we have fun and we're playing the pump song does not mean FOMO in. Guys, pump song does not equal FOMOing in, right? Pump song does not equal FOMOing in. I will say it again. Pump song does not equal FOMO in.
Rant alert.
No, don't FOMO in because we play the pump song. Buy low. Pump song is when we are enjoying our profits already going up. All right? Pump song does not equal FOMO in. I will repeat it again. All right? Keep that in mind. Pump song does not equal FOMO in. But we are at the resistance. So keep that in mind. Like, daily stocks are topped out. All right? Market cipher's coming back down, about to flip bearish. Just be careful on this. Right? Just be careful on this one. This one seems to be kind of volatile. It kind of has huge wicks every time it touches this. So just be careful. I wouldn't be surprised if this one pulls back a little bit more on Frontier, because it tends to pull back at this level. And you have some daily stuff going on that's a little bit iffy. So, a pullback back down to the bottom of the range would not surprise me. Maybe not all the way to the bottom. Seems a little bit too much. But maybe at least back down to these previous lows. Try to build some type of base here. Or at least try to continue to make higher lows here. Right? Continue to make higher lows. Even come back down and test this trend line and then continue back up. That's what you're hoping there on the daily time frame. But eventually, I think this breaks up. Targets all the way to the top. It's probably going to take a while, but take that for what you will, man. Waterfly said, I took nap. Can we get a recap? Waterfly, you know why you took a nap, man? Waterfly, you know why you took a nap? Because this is you. I'm totally picking on you, Waterfly. You know I love you, man. Waterfly is one of the OGs. He's been here. Holy moly, Bitcoin's above 43K as I'm rambling for no reason. Oh, man, it's good stuff. There's BTC, 43K, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it, boys. There we go. 43K BTC. Let's get it, man. 43K BTC. I love to see it. You have BitBoy flipping bullish again. The best channel in the interwebs. Guys, now I am fully bullish. The crypto market is going back up, so I am fully bullish now. Okay, I know I say the rate hikes were going to push us down, and I know I said we were in a bear market, but now I am fully bullish. Okay? TJ, how do you feel about us being fully bullish? Do you agree? Do you disagree? What do you think, TJ? I don't know. I don't know, BitBoy. You're so mean to me. I'm your whipping bag. I can't even answer this question on stream. You were yelling at me in the beginning of the stream. Before the stream, you were yelling at me. I can't even answer this question. I'm scared of you. I'm scared of you. You scare me, man. That's okay. That's you guys didn't see that. You guys didn't see. You guys didn't see that. You didn't see that. Okay. TJ's not scared of me. I didn't do anything. I promise. I did not tackle him at the beginning of the stream. You didn't see that. We are going back up. I am bullish again, guys. I am bullish again. I know I said I would sell my whole portfolio below 40K, but I am bullish. I swear. I am bullish. I am bullish. This dude, BitBoy, said he's going to sell his whole portfolio at 40K. Oh, God. BitBoy is the indicator. I have realized this. BitBoy doesn't know shit. He is the indicator. When BitBoy's bullish, be bearish. When BitBoy's bearish, be bullish. Holy moly, man. Dude said he was going to sell his whole portfolio under 40K. All right. Ban yourself. Oh, man. DJ, I saw that meme, man. Bits, you got to chill with the... Don't be mean about... Listen. Don't be mean about personal things, DJ. Listen, I love you, DJ. That was hilarious. I laughed. You got to chill, man. You got to chill with that stuff. All right. Pit stain intensifies. Hug too tight. Pant, straight facts. Now we can finally test strongest resistance. All right, 43,132. All right, so Bitcoin is moving up right now. If you blow my speakers, I'll come for you. Lewis, I will come for you, man. I will come for you. This is the only crypto channel I watch where I actually feel dumber afterward. Hey, listen, man. Here's what I'll tell you. You can watch all these other crypto streamers that trade. I'm telling you right now, I will outperform all these other crypto streamers, right? Because they think they can trade the market. I'm telling you right now, me just accumulating and buying, I will outperform all these other traders with their trading groups, okay? I will outperform every single one of them by simply just hodling, okay? I'm telling you right now. I'm telling you right now, I will do it, all right?
Rant alert.
So I might sound stupid, but I'm smarter than you guys think, okay? You guys know that too. I like to have fun. Can I tell you guys a common misconception about the world? People think that people who don't take themselves seriously and like to have fun are dumber than people who take themselves seriously and wear suits. Just because someone wears a suit and takes themselves seriously does not mean they're smarter than someone who likes to have fun and laugh at life. I would actually argue, right? I would actually argue this. Here's what I'll say. I'll actually argue this. People that like to have fun and don't take themselves seriously actually have sort of a leg up on these guys who like to take themselves seriously and always have with a frown on their face and always smart, man. Listen, I'm telling you right now, just because I like to have fun does not mean I'm smarter than all these guys with PhDs and all this crap, okay? I'm telling you right now. I'm telling you right now, man.
See Clint's there?
Clint's there? I didn't see Clint's there.
It says, I dare you to shave off one of your eyebrows.
No.
Break off 43 and a half
No.
tonight.
No, man. We're not doing that. We love you, bro. Got you, man. Got you. I know you guys doing it. That statement validates stupidity. Facts, man. Take it for what you will. Absolutely. Thank you, Rodney. Thank you, Rodney, man. All right, so I would say not taking yourself seriously shows you're smarter, but that's just me. That's just me. All right. What are we looking at here? Has Java risen from the dead yet? No, Mike. Oh, that was from earlier. I cannot wait till Java's back, man. That's what I'll tell you. I miss Java myself. Like you guys miss Java probably less than I do. I love Java. Right? He's my brother. I miss him. I can't believe he's dead. And he needs to come back. Anything else breaking out right now? Mana. Not really Mana. ETH is trying to. Guys, ETH is trying to break out. Not quite yet. We're at 3,067-ish. You know? So keep that in mind. I still see, here's what I'll say about ETH, man. I like ETH at least for this. You guys can see the W reversal here. I mean, you got to move back down, move back up, move back down, move back to the upside. You got the back test of the downtrend of resistance, and now you're moving back to the upside, man. So I like that. You're actually breaking the W neckline right there. And you actually take the swing highs to the swing lows. I'm not going to count this wick. It's a little wicky. A little bit too wicky for me, man. And you actually extrapolate this at the W. It's going to put you all the way back up at about 3,738, man. Not a bad. At least you see, at least at this point, you're breaking this level here. ETH coming back up at least testing 3271 at the very, very least. At the very, very least. So Bitcoin still got some work to do. I know we're getting super, super bullish on on Bitcoin, but Bitcoin still got some work to do. It's still in a rising wedge at the end of the day. Let's focus on getting back above the previous swing highs at 43.3. But hey, man, you got to enjoy the upswings while you can. That's what I'll say. All right, let's see. Oh God, no, Jimmy. Oh God, Jimmy. Oh shit. Jimmy's back, baby. What did I tell you guys? I told you guys to buy the dip. I told all you guys to buy the dip. You better invest in your stimmies. All you bottom dwellers. All you bears. You better invest in your stimmies and invest in your stable coins. All you friggin' bears. You guys are idiots. Who looks dumb now? I might have a plunger in my head, but I'm outperforming all you. Strap up. We're going to the moon. Jimmy's so dumb. Listen, Jimmy is beating all your bears right now. That's what I'll say. Jimmy is beating every single one of your bears right now. Take that how you will. Take that. You think Jimmy's dumb? Look at all your bears right now, man.
Rant alert.
Look at all you. I love trolling the bears, guys. I'm totally kidding, by the way. I'm totally kidding, by the way. We're not out of the woods yet. I'm totally kidding. You guys know I don't think we're out of the woods yet. I'm trolling the bears, but we got to break 46K. Jimmy's outperforming you guys right now. Think about that. A guy with a plunger on his head is outperforming you. Jimmy sounds like a happy Jabba. He does. He actually does kind of sound like a happy Jabba. That's kind of funny, man. Jimmy using the plunger on the wrong end. On the ass? You don't use a plunger on your ass. Oh, God. Oh! Imagine using a plunger on your ass. Oh, God. Oh. Oh. Imagine using a plunger on your ass. I don't know. Imagine. All right. Let's move on here. So Mitchell said, can you check out VXV? VXV, what the heck is that, man? How does she look? Always a pleasure watching your live streams. Thank you, man. I don't know what VXV is, but we can certainly look at it, man. Certainly can. VXV. VXV. Jewel. So dumb, man. All right. Let's see. Depends if you're backed up. That sounds awful. It's not that bad. You just have to feel an intense internal pull. Drew said, yeah, let's move on. All right. Drew, man, you're funny. Oh, God, man. Now, all I can think of is freaking... whatever happened to Dale? Is the Dale market over? VXV. God, RIP. RIP. To be fair about this one, it did go down just as much as many other alts. It just came out at a bad time. At least on this. I don't know if it actually came out right here. But it looks like it just came out at a bad time. Dumped right at the beginning of this bearish trend that we've been in. Right? But, right now, at least if you're looking at some type of short-term win, let's get back over the previous swing daily closes. Right there. You have swing lows, you have swing highs. Let's focus on getting it back above $2. Psychological level of $2. And also, it's going to be tough, man, because if you actually look at the RSI, no, you're kind of fine on the RSI. So let's on the daily, let's focus it back above getting a daily close above $2. You get back above that, you probably have a shot of at least getting higher. Let's take a swing low, high to swing low fib level. And see, actually, that's also right at the 382 fib. You break that, it's a good level chance you get to 0.5. Right now, just be careful. Be careful with a lot of, I'll say this. I know I'm acting bullish today. Be careful where we are right now. Obviously, we're still below 46. So, don't be jumping out of bed just yet. But daily stocks are still topped out on a lot of these altcoins. Doesn't always have to mean much, right? Just go look at the previous bullish trend and say that daily stocks don't really mean shit a lot of times, but it is what it is. Just be careful right here, right? Just be careful right here. If anything, if you do get the bearish trend, you get a pullback, looking for a pullback to test these previous highs and previous lows. You get a reversal back up, maybe make some inverse head and shoulders pattern, move to the upside. Just be careful right here. Don't FOMO. Don't FOMO. I know FOMOing is fun and FOMO is exciting. Oh, I'm FOMOing into this coin right now. I never recommend FOMOing, man. Never, ever, ever, ever do it. Never do it. And I'll never do it. I'll never do it. Even the altcoins that I've been buying the last couple of days, it's altcoins that have been lagging behind, right? AVAX, was kind of lagging behind the market a little bit. So I bought some AVAX. What else was lagging behind? Freaking, shit. What was the other one? AVAX, and was it sand? Might have been sand. Sand, I think I bought some sand too. It was sort of lagging behind a little bit. So even the ones that I buy, I don't buy the ones that are already pumping. I buy the ones that are lagging behind because I know those ones will catch up, right? Drew said I would choose another coin. Nice, man. I love it. Fishing for Fun said, oh my God, I'm going to Disney World with my Coke and hookers. Nice fishing for fun.
Strap
Good
up.
luck to you,
We're
man.
going to the moon.
He's definitely strapping up and going to the moon then. Mario said, FTM whenever you ever get to altcoins, please. Got 5K on the side if we dip to 41K. Oh, Clint, by the way, I'm not shaving my eyebrow, man. Listen, the dares have to be realistic. I'm not shaving my eyebrow. You have a 0 chance of me shaving my eyebrow. Okay? The dares can be nothing involving my face. Okay? Nothing involving my face. Because my face is beautiful. Okay? And I need my face for my stream. Alright? Like 50% of my viewers are females. I need my face for my stream. Or else I'm going to lose 50% of my viewers, man. Come on. You know how this works.
Bitcoin's
Especially you,
going
Clint.
10K.
You know how this works, man. You're a beautiful guy. Alright. So, FTM. Let's go look at Phantom. Phantom real quick. Phantom. I feel like a ghost every time I look at Phantom. You guys feel like a ghost every time you look at that Phantom? I don't know about you guys, but I do. Spin ×3, brother, when you get a chance. I got you, Clint. 100%. I got you, Clint. I'm kind of behind on these, so I will get to it for sure. All right. So FTM. Let's see what's going on with FTM, man. I know FTM was on sort of a... FTM was interesting because it sort of had the bearish news right as the market started to come back up. So it's sort of been lagging behind a little bit. Just in a big macro channel for the most part. I wish it was in a wedge. Totally realist there. Your eyebrows need trim up. No, they don't. No, they don't, man. They need a trim up, not a shave off. The difference between a trim up and a shave off, man. Sometimes shaved eyebrows don't grow back where they're supposed to. Don't shave them. Yeah, I'm not shaving my eyebrows. I would never shave my eyebrows. There's 0 chance. 0 chance. I don't care if someone gave me... I wouldn't shave my eyebrows for $1 million. I wouldn't do it.
Really?
Nope. Not shaving my eyebrow for $1 million. Because it's not going to... I can draw it off. I can draw it for you. No, you're not drawing my eyebrow. You're not... I wouldn't shave my eyebrow for $1 million. I wouldn't do it. Seriously. You might be saying it's bullshit. I wouldn't do it. But FTM. What's going on with FTM? So you're just in a big channel, man. So at the end of the day, you just got to get back above this. And listen, what I'll say about Phantom is you're still just consolidating below your previous swing lows, man. It's like right here. You see the previous swing lows, previous swing lows, previous swing lows, previous swing lows. You haven't been able to crack that just yet, right? You got to crack it. You got to crack it. Let's see. Chris said, I don't believe that. I wouldn't do it. I'm telling you right now, I wouldn't do it. Because my luck, it would grow back and I would have like a giant like Anthony Davis unibrow come in. And I would be like, oh, dude. And I know you could say you could shave it, but I don't think it's going to come back correctly. I know how that works. I know how it works. There's always, because here's the thing, guys. With bets, if someone was like, I'll give you $1 million to shave your eyebrow, here's how this would go. All right, I would say, all right, let's just say I say yes. I'll shave my eyebrow for $1 million. But here's the thing. Karma always comes back. So there's got to be something that's like, something in the universe is going to go, this is not right. This guy's getting $1 million for shaving his eyebrow. Something's not going to be right, and karma's going to come back. So no, I would not do it. It's because I know it would not end well. Anyways. Phantom is how you would call it a bullish accumulation, right? It's getting higher lows, same resistance on the top side. You know, you could also argue it's some type of symmetrical triangle here, but you know, overall, you know, you need to get back above the previous swing lows. I mean, I know it's simple stuff, but sometimes that's as simple as it gets. You got to get back above those previous swing lows. Typically, this is a bullish pattern, whether it's an ascending triangle or a symmetrical triangle, which is a bullish continuation pattern, right? Not bullish, but a continuation pattern. Breakout target would be 150 if this breaks up. But overall, I'm expecting this to come back up and test the top of the range. That's what I'm expecting, at least here. You know what I mean? That's not how karma works. Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
You're not doing
The universe knows that I'm not supposed to be doing this. So it's gonna be like, no, you can't do this. So we're gonna dock you somewhere else.
There's nothing wrong with.
They're gonna dock you. All right.
When I pluck my eyebrows, I'm doing something wrong.
Yes. Psycho Pearl said, I want a 12 pack of mango White Claws. Hey, there's nothing wrong with mango White Claws, man.
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
Nothing wrong with mango White Claws, man. What's wrong with mango White Claws? I bet Savvy drinks White Claws. What's going on, guys? It's Savvy. I'm going to tell you, I'm going to start my second channel. This is Savvy's second channel. It's called Savvy's World. So dumb. It's called Savvy's World. All right? Today, I'm going to chug a 12-pack of Smirnoff Ices. I love Smirnoff Ices. These things are great. I'm going to chug a Smirnoff Ice to the face. And it's going to be the strawberry Smirnoff Ice. All right? I'm telling you right now, you guys got to try these things. These things are great, man. These things are great. All right? On Savvy's World. All right, let's chug some Smirnoff Ices. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Here's the first one, baby. Elliott Waves. Cheers, Elliott Waves. Elliott Waves, baby. Oh, I love Elliott Waves. God damn. Oh, God, man. Savvy's World. All right. Has anything changed on the second channel? Nothing's changed, man. Nothing's changed. All right, anyways. Everyone's asking for ApeCoin. ApeCoin. John, what's going on with ApeCoin, man? You ask about ApeCoin a whole lot in the chat. Look at ApeCoin one time. ApeCoin's slowly coming up. I know everyone's excited about ApeCoin. You know, it's the new hot ticket on the market, right? ApeCoin's ApeCoin, man. ApeCoin's going to do what it wants to do. It's too new. You can't do any TA on this, man. You can do no TA on this. Of course, Clint likes Smirnoff. So Clint's making... Can we say something real quick? Clint's making fun of me for drinking White Claws, but this dude drinks Smirnoff. Can I... All right. Anyways. Can I say one thing? Drew said, I'm going to short that for sure. ApeCoin's going to do whatever the heck it wants to do, man. Like, listen, it's a newer crypto, right? I mean, there's not enough price action to do anything with this. You know, I guess you can go the hourly and get all pumped up and enjoyed on this. But here's the thing, man. I mean, I would say the only thing I could say about ApeCoin is, you could be in some type of bearish pattern. And listen, I know bearish patterns don't always play out, especially in bullish trends. We don't know if we're truly in a bullish trend right now, right? We don't 100% know. So keep that in mind. It is a rising wedge on the hourly, typically bearish patterns, right? You are getting close to the end of it. You're getting to the 0.5 retrace. So for the only really time frame we can look at, which is really the hourly and below, you are in a rising wedge, which is bearish. Now, like we said, if this is truly a bullish trend, I wouldn't be surprised if this continues higher. It's going to depend on Bitcoin, but obviously a lot of things depend on Bitcoin. A lot of things depend on Bitcoin. So 42,929 for BTC. Still just chilling right at 43K, man. Right at 43K. Look at it stair-stepping. It's stair-stepping its way up. Smirnoff is vodka made in Illinois. Doug Hayo. How many NFT projects going to copy that template next to release tokens? Let's see. Hey, Jordan, can you look at D-Race, please? I got you, Gobbly. I got you on D-Race. Appreciate the super chat, man. And Clint said spin times 3. I did send a dare. I'm good at laundering money, so bet me something. I'll hide it from the bet. All right. All right. I'm going to give you truth. Clint, tell me a truth. I'll tell you the truth on anything. You know me. I have a huge mouth. And I know Clint's going to come up with something that I probably don't want to say. But you tell me, Clint. I'll do truth. Why not, man? Why not? Let's do D-Race. D-race, man. Oh, God, what is this? What is this? D-race. Boom. What the hell is this, man? What the hell is this? I sold my soul for ApeCoin. Nice, man. You sell all your soul for ApeCoin. Yeah. Sell it, man. You're better selling your soul for ApeCoin than using Carl's Bybit link. I'll say that.
And I'm here to bring you this cryptocurrency video. Bitcoin has fallen out from this falling wedge, and I have made 100x on my long position over here on Bybit. You guys should go use my Bybit link. Links down in the description. Bybit link, Bybit link, Bybit link, Bybit link, Bybit link, Bybit link, Bybit link.
No! You like Bybit! Oh, God, it gets me every time. That never gets old to me. I don't know about you guys, but... Bob's face. That's my face. Every time I watch a Carl video, that's my face. Every single freaking time. It's like, dude, we know you like Bybit. Every single damn video, man. He even did it today. You guys see his freaking video with Da Vinci today? I thought they were just going to chill, kick it, have a good time. But no, he had to throw the Bybit chill in there. He had to throw the Bybit chill. It's like, dude, you're hanging out with Da Vinci. Why are you even talking about that? Chill, have a good time, talk about the charts, talk about Bitcoin. Why do you have to throw the stupid Bybit link in the freaking video, man?
Rant alert.
All right. God damn. If you have your affiliate links, put them in the freaking description. You don't need to say it every single freaking video. I shouldn't even blame Carl. It's the freaking idiots who use this freaking Bybit link, and that's why he freaking uses it. Because a bunch of idiots use this damn Bybit link. God damn.
Rant alert.
I don't even blame Carl for it. It's not even his fault. All right. Anyways. D-race. What's going on here? So, the falling wedge, right? The falling wedge is... I mean, listen, you're cutting through wicks and stuff here, but as far as closes in wedge formations, man, right here, you got it's pretty much a big falling wedge, right? So what you're hoping for here is this. You're hoping for this. Da Vinci is one of them. Seriously, man. If you look at the word shill, it's just a picture of Carl. But yeah, listen. You put it in here. You expect this rate to the upside. This is another one where there's not too much data on this. There's not enough data to... Where's my Bybit link? In the description. If you want to use it, man. I'm not going to shill it, but if you want to use it, go ahead, man. It's one way you can support the channel if you want to. All right, so D-Race. There's not enough data. There's just not enough data on D-Race, man. It's just not. But what I see is a big falling wedge that over the course of time, I see break into the upside because they usually do. They usually break to the upside. They show seller exhaustion, right? It's exactly what these patterns show. Seller exhaustion. You might be saying, oh, it's a downtrend. Yes, it is a downtrend. What it shows is the sellers keep trying to push it up higher, or the buyers, it basically shows the sellers should kind of push it lower, but they can't keep up with the buyers, right? And eventually you end up flattening out and hopefully move to the upside. Looks like you're trying to build a base down here. Once again, like you're going to see this from a lot of altcoins. Some of them are already broken out. Some of them haven't yet. But nevertheless, you're waiting for the break of this resistance. You break this resistance, man. I mean, like I said, there's not a lot of data, but you can take a fib and look at it this way. The first level would be simply the 236 retrace, which is 154. 154 will be the first target there for D-Race. I'll keep this up there in case we ever look at it again. Right there. Bada bing, bada boom. What's BTC doing? All right, here comes BTC. Here comes BTC, boys.
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
I love pissing off. Drew said, let's all send Jordan White Claws. Let's do it, Drew. Let's do it, man. All right, here comes BTC, guys. Here comes BT Sizzle. Can we break the highs? Bitcoin's got room to run the hourly. If it wants to, it's got room. It's got room. 4 hour still has plenty of room. You know what I mean? So keep that in mind. Just be careful here. Like, if Bitcoin does pump to the top, just remember we are in a rising wedge. Don't get out of bed. Bitcoin's got to break 46K for us to truly get out of bed. But I like what I'm seeing, man. I like what I'm seeing. George, what do you think about the current price action, man? What do you think, bro? Come on. Come on, George. Thank you for having me on, Jordan. Thank you so much for having me on. I'm George. We're all George in the chat. I know this is Jordan's channel, but we're all George. All right, we're not Jordan. Jordan's an idiot. We're all George. Guys, Bitcoin is gonna go up. You see the chart right now? Bitcoin is gonna go up. Let's dance right now, boys. Let's dance right now for all the Georges in the chat. Tell me you're George right now in the chat. Bitcoin is gonna go up. Motherfuckers. George. Wait for it. Look at Bitcoin. 43.2. I told you Bitcoin gonna go up. I told you Bitcoin gonna go up. I told you we're gonna go up. Oh God, man. I told you. George told you Bitcoin gonna go up, man. There it is. 43.240. There it is. 43.230. All right, we still haven't broken the highs yet. I'm waiting for a clean break of this wick. At least the wick high, man. Let's see if Bitcoin can do it. But holy moly, man. Let's see if it can break 43.355, man. Let's see. Let's see, dude. All right, 40. Let's go. Oh man, you sure it's coming back down? It's coming right back down, man. It was fun while it lasted, all right? It was fun while it lasted. That was great. That was great. That was a good laugh. It was a really good laugh. I don't know. That was great, man. Now you got to do Lifer. We can do Lifer. Where's Lifer, man? Oh, let me get my suit. Let me get my suit. There we go, man. All right, guys. I'll be right back. We're going to have Crypto Lifer back on. One of the best traders on the internet. You guys should go follow Crypto Lifer. You should totally join his trading group. He is killing it over in his trading group, guys. Absolutely killing it. $500 a month. Go join his trading group. I'm gonna have Crypto Lifer come on. Come on, Crypto Lifer. God damn. I was squeaking laughing today. Hold on. What's going on, guys? It's Crypto Lifer today. I'm from Boston. Yeah, man. All right, guys. You guys can see Bitcoin right now. I am absolutely killing it in my trading group, all right? We look at the stock RSI on the 4-hour time frame. That's the only indicator that I use. Totally elementary, right? Anyone can learn how to do it, right? Literally anyone can learn how to use the stock RSI. Just look up a YouTube video, how to use stock RSI. That's how I trade, man. I trade at the bottom of the stock RSI and I sell at the top of the stock RSI. That's what I do, man. Join my trading group. I'm telling you, you will get 1,000. Join my trading group, guys. I'm telling you, it's the biggest investment you guys can make, man. Join it right now, all right? I'm from Boston. Join it, bro. I'm telling you right now. My trading group will get you the biggest returns you ever see. No one else does what I do. No one else brings the value that I do to my trading group, okay? No one else brings the value. Join it, right? I've only been trading for 2 years. I'm telling you, I know more than everyone does. I know more than Fibonacci does. I know more than anyone. Join my trading group. I have so much experience trading, all right? Join it. $500 a month. Let's get it, man. Let's get it. Join my trading group, guys. It's great. It's great, man. Stock RSI all the way, baby. Oh, God, man. You gotta love these gurus, man. You gotta love the crypto gurus, dude. You gotta love them, man. Yeah, the crypto gurus, dude. There's guys. I'm telling you, I'm gonna tell you guys this right now. All right, do not join any of these stupid clowns trading groups. It's not just that guy. Don't join anyone's. Okay. If I come out with a trading group, don't join my trading group, guys. Don't join it. All right. None of these clowns These clowns have been trading for 2 years. They don't even know what. They've probably been in crypto as long as you guys have, okay? Do not join these guys' trading groups. I'm telling you right now. Don't do it. All right. Let's see. Man is moving. You look more like Tone Vase. Oh, God. Clint, I still have to do 3 trades for Clint, by the way. Pawtucket said, "Sup, Jordan? Go Crow." I'm sure Crow's pumping. Man is pumping right now. Let's go check out Mana real quick. Freaking Mario. I can show you some TA. Lewis, show me some TA, man. Show me some TA, man. All right, so yeah, look at Mana, man. Look at Mana. Let's play a pump song for Mana, man. Let's get it. All right, 267 for Mana. Absolutely killed it. So, listen, just to keep it simple, man. Like I said, my channel's for fun. Keep it simple, all right? You broke the downtrend of resistance for Mana. You got the pump to the upside. It doesn't take rocket science, man. Crypto is easy, guys. Crypto is easy. It is. You buy low, you wait. The prices are going to go up eventually, all right? I'm going to say the price is going to go up now. Just obviously keep that in mind. We're not out of the woods yet, but... you're seeing the breakout on Mana. Beautiful stuff. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful stuff. Say it was more like that. But we broke out to the upside. So what are we looking at for targets? Let's take... this was obviously a simple wedge pattern, right? It doesn't take a rocket scientist. But if we look at it, man, falling wedge, breakout targets at the top of the wedge, 356. Let's keep it simple. Let's keep it super, super simple. Look at some short-term fib levels here. And let's see, man. Short-term fib levels. Lewis said, "I would love to walk you through my process. It's not hard, but very efficient." Let me know, Lewis. You can walk me through it, man. You walk me through it, dude. It's probably not going to make me. You want to see Clint after a weekend bender? That's funny. Bosnian boy, I'm getting there. I'm a little bit behind in the super chats, guys. I'll get to. I apologize. I'm feeling good today. You guys could probably say the last couple of days I'm feeling pretty good. All right. So let's see what happens. So Mana is. Listen, for Mana. Listen, I'm going to say the first target's the 382. That's at 272. Daily stocks topped out on everything, right? But the daily RSI has plenty of room to run. That's what I'll say. So kind of conflicting signals there, right? Market cipher still fine, right? It's still actually going back to the upside. So conflicting signals there on the daily. Still think you go up to 272 at the very least. Just makes sense, right? You don't usually stop midway through fib levels. So 272 at the very least. But, right, overall, the breakout target of a falling wedge is the top of the wedge at 356. Doesn't mean it has to happen right now, but over the course of the next couple weeks, hey, you probably, in my opinion, you're going to see that level. That's my opinion. Take it for what you will. So 43,100 there. Let's see. GoCro LB said, "Mister, they trade max of them 10% portfolio, 90% hold." Nice. Lewis said, "How to get a hold of you? Hit me up on Discord, man. You'll find the Discord link in the description, man. If you guys want to join the Discord, links in the description. If you guys want to join the Discord, DCA all the way. Hat is bullish. Thank you, man. Hat is bullish. Always been bullish on ETH. You cannot be bearish on ETH, guys. I'm telling you, you can't be bearish on ETH. Who's bullish? Who's bearish on ETH in the chat? I'm going to tell you guys right now. Who is bearish on ETH in the chat? You guys will just look like this guy right here. This is probably you guys who are bearish on ETH. I'm telling you right now, man. You guys are the bottom feeders. The bottom feeders are bearish on ETH. What the fuck is this? What the hell was that, man? ETH sucks. ETH freaking sucks, man. I'm just a part of an ETH echo chamber, all right? ETH gas fees are too high. It is going to get outpaced by Solana, Cardano, AVAX, all these other ones, man. It's going to get absolutely destroyed by these other layer ones. I'm telling you right now, ETH friggin' sucks, man. You see this echo chamber? You see these 3 mouths on my head? ETH friggin' sucks, man. Friggin' sucks. Friggin' Christ. I'm so bearish on ETH, bro. Like, yeah, man, ETH sucks. Yeah, ETH sucks, man. Yeah. Friggin' echo chamber. I can't take the echo chamber of people saying ETH sucks, man. ETH will never, ETH will never, ever be outpaced by another one, by another coin. I'm telling you. It will never do it. I will make that bet right now. It will never get outpaced or by a market cap by another crypto other than Bitcoin. I will make that bet right now. 100% will make that bet. Let me know. How's Badger DAO looking? Let's at Badger DAO for my guy Blue Collar here. Badger DAO. That's the echo chamber guy, by the way. That's Mr. Echo Chamber. Remove your hat. Sure. There you go, man. Got my hat. You see my hair? I have the most bullish hair in crypto. Maybe besides Chris. Crypto has pretty good hair. Actually, does he? No, Crypto kind of has bearish hair too. Who has the best hair in crypto, guys? Let me know. Who has the best hair in crypto? Let me know in the chat right now. I'll put my hat back on because I want my ETH hat on. I always feel more bullish with my ETH hat. So Badger DAO, yeah, Badger DAO looks like it broke out too. We know last time Badger DAO was at this level in a falling wedge and it broke to the upside. You saw what happened there in the daily. Okay, so Badger DAO broke to the upside. Awesome stuff, man. Awesome stuff. You broke out, back tested. Now you're looking for the momentum to the upside. It's a beautiful setup there on Badger. Beautiful, beautiful setup there on Badger. Just to keep it simple, man. Keep it simple. That's it. Market Cipher just got the cross back over. Stocks just got the cross back over. Listen, the setup is there. It is there for the taking. All these swing lows. That's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful on Badger. I'm actually kind of upset I didn't see this before at the bottom here. Because that was literally the same exact setup that happened last time. To a T. Literally to a T, man. I'm kind of upset that I didn't see it. So, take that for what you will. You still got to get over the previous swing lows and swing highs at 919. That's going to be your first big resistance, about 919. Get back over that. Listen. Yeah, probably have a move up to 1253 in that case, at the very, very least. The very, very least. But yeah, Badger looks good. You know, keep it simple. Benjamin Cowan. Benjamin Cowan has the best hair. Oh, God, man. Very, very dubious. Very, very dubious speculation, man. All right. I'm going to have Ben come on and do a quick TA. Ben, you want to come on, brother? I know you're looking to be pretty dubious right now. You have a bullish hairline? Thank you, young boy. Ben, you feeling dubious? Come on, brother. All right, Ben's going to come on, guys. Thanks for jumping back into the cryptoverse. Jordan, thank you so much for having me back on today. As always, guys, smash up the like button. If you guys want to join the premium list, which is in the description down below, go ahead and join. All right, so let's be a little bit dubious on the next coin that we have. So we have Bosnian Boy. All right, we have Bosnian Boy who said, hey, Jordan, can you check out Luna and Dot? All right, my name is Ben. My name is not Jordan, but I will definitely be dubious on that for your Bosnian Boy. Let's go check it out. I'm sure it's still below the weekly the bull market support band, but let's go check out and be a little bit dubious. All right, let's see. Come on, hair. There we go. Let's go be a little bit dubious. So Luna is, let's see. So Luna is simply at, it's simply an accumulation pattern, right? You have higher lows coming in, and let's actually go to the 4 hour here. So you have higher lows coming in. I'm going to be pretty dubious on Luna here. I'm going to be pretty dubious. Guys, this looks like a bullish accumulation pattern to me, right? It looks like a simple inverse head and shoulders with an upsloping trend line, which happens to be pretty dubious, right? You look at the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. you can clearly see that this is a reversal pattern to the upside, and this should push us back to all-time highs. If we look back in the past when we saw this happen, right? A lot of times this will push us back above the weekly support band. So you put this back above here at the breakout target, would give us a target about 112 and would put Luna in the in what we call I can't think of the word of very, very dubious 112.60, which is price discovery, right? So listen, I'm still bullish. I'm not getting out of bed just yet. I'm still sleeping. I'm not getting out of bed. I'm not scheduling my Forbes interview, but I do think Luna could certainly come up to the 112 area, right? Certainly the 112, right? I'm gonna all right, I'm gonna give it back to Jordan. Thank you for being dubious. Want to join Into the Cryptoverse? Links in the description. All right, see you. Someone said you look creepy with no beard. Facts. So creepy with no beard. It's almost ridiculous how creepy I look with no beard. But I completely agree. But anyways, I mean, Luna, same thing. Even whether you look at it at these higher lows coming in, beautiful stuff. You actually rounding back out right here. You can actually look at this as a cup and handle or some type of inverse head and shoulders accumulation. And I can certainly see this move to the upside. Right? Yeah. Now, can you get rejected here? Absolutely, you can. But I don't see any bearish divergence on the 4 hour. I don't see any bearish divergence on the daily. I see none of that stuff. None of that stuff. So I can't get too bearish there on Luna. Even though George talked about it. I can't get too bearish. Playing hooky. What's going on, man? He said, my son Matthew bought his first coin. He picked Sushi Swap because he likes sushi. That's awesome, man. He picked Sushi Swap because he likes sushi. That's great, man. Holy moly, man. Shout out to Matthew. Shout out to Matthew. He picked sushi because he likes sushi. That is... Listen, I can't hate on it. I can't hate on it, man. I can't. Come on, Hong Kong. Come on, Hong Kong, said Denise. Let's go. Mario said, I need pictures of Spider-Man. What are you talking about, Mario? Man, you can't leave Dylan out of this. What? What are you guys talking about in the chat? Sushi, I mean, listen, sushi looks pretty good. So should I FOMO back in? Don't FOMO into alts, guys. The time to buy was low. So listen, I'll continue to say, bottom feeders, you're not going to time the bottom. We're not out of the woods yet, but let this feeling be an example. If you wanted to FOMO back in, this is why you buy when the prices are low and you don't wait for the exact bottom, okay? Because I bet that the bears right now, okay, might be feeling a little FOMO-y. Maybe not yet, but I guarantee you if Bitcoin breaks 46K, they're going to be feeling FOMO-y, all right? That's why I preach don't wait till the last second to accumulate, man. All right, so sushi. What's going on with sushi? What the heck is going on with sushi? Do we have anything going on with sushi? Are we good? Well, we broke out of the macro wedgie. All right, we love our macro wedgies here on this channel. Absolutely, this one actually had a beautiful macro wedgie. I don't know why there's like a missing thing in the chart right here. It's kind of throwing me off a little bit. But we have a missing thing in the chart. Beautiful macro wedgie. Breakout to the upside. Long-term targets 1070. Right? Might not happen right away, but keep that in mind. We are currently getting a little resistance on the previous swing highs. We're chilling right at it. So, I mean, once again, a lot of these alts are showing, relatively overbought on the stocks. 4 hours probably going to have a little bearish divergence on the 4 hour too, as on the regular RSI. And 4 hour market cipher looks to flip back bearish there. So I would say what makes the most sense now, as we know, crypto doesn't always do what makes most sense. It's going to do whatever the heck it wants to do, especially when it's bullish. But what makes the most sense is a pull back and then a continuation back up, right? Just to form some type of inverse head and shoulders that a lot of alts could make if that plays out. Now, like I said, altcoins are going to do what the heck they want to do, especially if Bitcoin can continue up. They're going to continue up too. I mean, it's the way the market works, man. It's the way the market works. Savvy says at 10 million, the Amazon chart will be invalidated because the trend line will be vertical and he can't draw a line adjust that. He will always, man. We have 3 transactions that still need validated. 1, truth, you're worth less than 100K in net worth. False. Spin times 3. Wait, Clint, I'm so confused why I still have to spin times 3, man. I don't understand why I have to do it. The poll bet. Oh, the poll bet. I'm still confused why I have to spin times 3. Do you think ADA ever gets back to all-time highs? 68% said yes. That's pretty good. I'll spin. Clint, you gotta tell me why I have to do it. I'm really, really confused. All right. Let's do it real quick. Let's spin. Here we go. Another truth or dare. Tell me the truth. Give me another one, Clint. I don't know why I have to spin 3 times. I already spin twice. You know, I will do it. I just need a reason why. Richard said, can you slap Jimmy? Can you slap Jimmy? In the back of the head when he gets wrecked? Yeah, he's not wrecked yet, so I can't slap Jimmy just yet. I can't slap Jimmy. I'm swear I'm not a Harmony Shiller. Slothbag, you are the biggest Harmony Shiller I've ever seen in the chat, man. You are a Harmony Shiller all day. All day. People FOMOing into Jasmine. It was like 12 cents a little over a week ago. Nice. Will ADA hit 1 USDT again or straight up to 120? I think it's let me go back to ADA real quick. Let's see what ADA's doing right now. ADA's down about 1%. I don't see. See, I think it's going up to I think it's going up to 120 at least to test. It just makes sense based on the chart right now. I think it's going back up to 120 to test this downtrend of resistance here from the all-time highs. Right, 1, 2, 3 tests. You know, last couple of times you test that, you got pretty parabolic. I would say, I don't think this has to come back down to 120 right now. If you look at the 4-hour chart, still has some room to run. So I would say 120 makes the most sense for me to come back up a test. I don't think this is topped out just yet, in my personal opinion. You keep that in mind. Bitcoin can play a huge thing with that, you know. Except the bozo with Harmony in his name. I'm kind of a Harmony 1 Shiller too, I have to say. Oh god, I'm so behind right now. Guys, I'm trying my best. I apologize if you've been waiting for a while here. Ruin said, Jordan, why don't you trade full time? You know you could. I could. Listen, I could. Here's the thing why I don't trade, man. Here's why I don't trade. If you want me to be honest with you guys, here's why I don't trade. All right? Why would I trade? All right? Why would I trade when over the course of the history of Bitcoin, it's gone up in straight line up and to the right? All right? You guys might be saying this is dumb thinking. All right? Two reasons why I don't trade. 90% of traders lose long term. All right? That's one. Could I, if I put in the work, could I be a 10% trader? Yes. Very slim chance that most people can get there. All right? Number two, I believe in just having patience, man. It's what's working for me. You know, I can't say what works for me is going to work for everyone. But when I've tried to trade the market, it hasn't worked for me. When I've sat tight with the funds that I do have, when I've sat tight and just have patience, that's what has worked for me. Okay? So I'm going to stick to that until it doesn't work. So those are the 2 reasons why. Very simple reasons. Okay? Very, very simple reasons. Right? And I know, listen, and I know you guys think that everyone can trade. I'll tell you this right now. A lot of these people that you watch on YouTube that think they can trade, okay, they really can't, man. And I know this for a fact. They really can't. Okay? So I'm not going to call anyone out, but just because you see people on YouTube with these $1,000, $1 million long positions that are open, you know, in profit, doesn't mean that they're profitable long term. Okay? I will tell you guys that right now. I'm just being honest. I have a big mouth. You know, probably what I say affects these guys a little bit. I hope it does at least. A lot of them are profitable. I will tell you that right now. I'm not going to name names, though. I'm not going to name names. Hannah said, Jordan, and I'm not going to lie to you. I could sit here and lie to you guys and be like, oh, yeah, I'm a pro trader. Like, look at my long position over on Bybit. Use my Bybit link. I could do that, but I'm not going to freaking do that, man. I feel cheesy doing that. I feel so cheesy, and I would rather have my self-dignity than sit up here and act like I'm some pro trader shilling my Bybit link. You know, I'm gonna keep my mouth. I'm gonna keep my mouth shut. All right, Jordan, do you own more sand or mana? Mana. Mana might be my 5th biggest holding now. You know, so definitely mana. I've been accumulating some sand on this bearish trend, I guess you could say, for BTC. But I've definitely accumulating sand. It's nowhere close mana though. Nowhere close mana. But yeah, no problem, bro. Just being honest, man. Just being honest. It's all fake anyways. Hey, this is what it is. You can show my trades. We all know you like Bybit. All right. But yeah, definitely mana. Definitely mana, man. Doesn't mean I'm more bullish on mana than sand. It's just mana was the first one I bought. So it's usually what happens, man. You usually have more of the first one that you bought. It kind of goes with crypto, right? You buy something earlier, you have more. Why do you think ETH is like my biggest holding? Yes, I'm bullish on ETH, but it was also one of the first ones that I bought. So that has something to do with it. Clint, can you put your... Oh, what is Clint doing now? Poll bet. You want to see Clint after a weekend bender? You want to see Jordy buy? If they pick my picture, you buy SHIB with your money. They picture SHIB, I super chat it to you. Okay. Clint, I hope you have earphones in. You're not supposed to be betting me, man. You got in trouble with your wife. You're not supposed to be betting me. You told me you have your earphones in. That's the only reason why I'm doing this. All right, let's do a poll bet real quick. I'm just going to put poll bet. Poll bet. All right, Clint, don't get yourself in trouble, man. Yeah, I don't want your wife to say you can't watch anymore, you know? You want to see Clint on a weekend bender. Shit. You want to see Clint... There's not enough characters, man. Why does YouTube only give you like 20 characters on these stupid polls? You want to see Clint... All right. See Clint on a weekend bender. There we go. That works. And then we have... You want to see Jordan buy... God, man. This is not a fair bet. All right, anyways. I want to accumulate crypto anyways right now, so that's fine. You want to see Jordan buy SHIB. There we go. All right. Fair enough. Let's see. Let's see, man. ETH BTC Gala. All right. There you go, Clint. Ren said MBL. So Bitcoin just chilling. Anything really moving here in the market as far as high caps? Doge is moving a little bit. Who even owns Doge anymore? Who the heck even owns Doge? Let me look at Doge real quick. Where's Doge? Where's friggin' Doge? Where's the Doges? Where's the Doges? Where the heck is Doge, man? Why am I blind? I feel like an old man right now. This is me looking for Doge right now, man. Hold on.
Keep up the good work.
I got you, man. Where's Doge? Jordan. I can't find Doge on my list. Where the heck is Doge? Jordan, can you help me find Doge? I can't find Doge. Where is it? Oh my God, where's my glasses? I can't find Doge. Oh man, I love old people, man. They're funny. I actually saw a funny post on Reddit the other day. Actually, it was last night, where they said, name one thing that every guy knows. And the top answer was, when you reach a certain age, every time you stand up or you sit, you go, ah. It's so true. I'm not even old. I don't do it when I sit, but every time I stand up, I go, oh, or I go, oh boy. I say oh boy all the time. I go, oh boy. And then when you get really old, you start going, Up. Up. Even when you sit, you go up. Oh man! All right, let me continue on. So Doge, what's that? The Doge is going to move up. All right, let's get a pump song for Doji. For the Doges in the chat. For the Doges. The biggest impression I've seen you do. Only at the end of the day. You guys not agree with that? You guys know everyone says, oh. They also laugh now, young man. Waterfly, I already do it, man. I already do it every single time, man. There also becomes an age for men where you have to lower the water level in the toilet bowl so your nuts don't teabag in the water. You have to be really old for that. Holy moly. I can't imagine your nuts going... Do your nuts... For all the old people in the chat, I'm dead serious about this question. Before we get into Doge, I'm actually dead serious about this question because I actually don't know this. When you get old as a man, do your nuts actually like start hanging that low? I'm genuinely curious. I'm not being sus. Like, do your nuts actually hang that low to the point where they can go in the water?
Your skin starts sagging.
That blows my mind. That's some huge ass nuts. You must have to like tie your nuts in like a knot to make it sure it doesn't fall out of your shorts. Like, you can't even wear shorts if you're old. You would have to tie your nuts like to like the little waistband that you have in your shorts. Is that true? I actually don't know this. No? That was true in my late 20s? I just got out of my truck and did it. Oh, God. I'm 36 and mine are the same when I was 18. My nuts have always been the same. My nuts have always been the same, man. BRMC said, yeah. It's not sus. I'm not trying to be sus. They hang lower for sure. Sounds good. No, but Doge is getting they hung lower for sure. My nuts have always been the same. They're really nice nuts, you know. They don't taste very nutty. All right, I'm gonna stop. But no, in all seriousness, Doge on the daily. Beautiful falling wedge, longer formation. All right, it's a longer formation. So could this still continue on? Yes, but we're making our way downtown, back up, like Michelle Branch would say, all the way back up to the top of our downtrend of resistance right here. So can this break to the upside right here? 14.8 would be the target for Doge, if it does. Right now, shorter term, it's funny because they love the wedgies right now. Shorter term wedge already broke out. Shorter term wedge, 3 touches to the downside, 3 touches on the top side. Breakout target would be 21.3. You know what I mean? So that one already broke out. It's just a matter of, you know, are you going to come back? Are you going to break this big downtrend from the all-time highs? That's the big question. I think you're at least come back up to test it. 14.7. We'll see what you do when you get back up there. But I believe you're coming back up to at least to test that level here. All right, Bitcoin's trying to come back up. 43.3. 43,036. Why am I have a lisp? Why do I all of a sudden have a lisp? I swear it's the coffee. It makes my voice super dry. Makes my mouth super dry. And then I'm like, Ethereum classic. That makes me laugh every single time. It's only funny because I do it. Ethereum classic. Ethereum classic.
Eat the bunny.
The ETH the bunny. I love the ETH the bunny. It's almost ETH. All right. So that's BTC. BTC is trying to make its way back up here. 43.65. MBL we did. Let's do VeChain for Alex real quick. Let's do some VeChain for Alex. What's going on with VET? I don't want to hold VET, but I do. I do hold VET. I do hold some VET, man. What's going on with VET? So VET was kind of in a descending triangle. It actually broke to the upside. Listen, these things are all breaking to the upside, man. Now, what we want to see here for VeChain. Now that we broke that, let me get rid of this fib here real quick. Let me get rid of this. We want to see here for VeChain on the daily. I'm not worried about shorter term time frames. Daily time frame. We want to get back above the neckline of the W reversal. All right, classic W. Move down, move back up, move back down. Trying to get it back up with higher lows. Love the higher low W's. All right, now we want to get back above the neckline, which is right there, right, which is at 5.7 cents. You get back above there, I mean, you probably have a clear shot. It's probably the measure move too of 6.8, which is the next previous high. But you take the swing high to the swing low. You extrapolate that up. I'm sure it's going to be right near that. Oh, a little bit higher. A little bit higher. But I'd say you probably hit some resistance at the previous high net first, right? 6.8. But the technical target is 7.4. But, yeah, man. It's the same thing for VeChain. No bearish divergence on actually on the 4 hour, which is good. Get in the sandbox. I'm in the sandbox, Denise. I am in the sandbox. I'm playing in the sandbox right now. All right, where's my sandbox? Here's my sandbox, man. Sandbox. That doesn't work. Why do none of these work? Whoa! What is this? Is this a sandbox? Nope. All right. It's not going to work. I was trying to do something weird. Didn't work. That's okay. Why is Sandy on here? I'm Sandy. This is great. Oh, God, man. I typed in sand. Yo! This is pretty awesome, actually. Water! I need water! This is great. All right, but yeah, 43,021. That's what you want to see, man. That's what you want to see. This is awesome. T-Bone said, I have way too much fun in the stream, man. I appreciate you guys dealing with my weirdness every single day, man. You guys deal with this every single day, and I appreciate you guys for dealing with this every single day. I know I'm Sandy right now, but I appreciate this every single day you deal with this. I really do. All right, what's going on with Matic? So Matic, let's see what's going on, man. Whoa! I don't know what just happened there, guys. I don't know what just happened. Let me take Sandy off. There we go. All right, so Matic, what's going on? Nightmare fuel. Matic. Let's go to the daily. This stream is my life at this point. Hey, listen, man. You could have worse things that are your life, I would say. You know? Think about it this way. At least you're watching this, and that means that you're in crypto, right? You're in crypto if you're in crypto for an extended amount of time, that is one of the best hobbies you can have, okay? And listen, if you guys have wives or girlfriends that bitch at you for caring about crypto, tell them to fuck off, all right? Because it's going to be better for you in the long term, all right? So they're over here, oh, you spend too much time on crypto. You know, you're trying to better our life. Oh, you're trying to better our life. Come hang out with me on the couch and let's do nothing. You know what? I don't agree. Tell them you need your time, all right? Because this is important and this will change your life. This will change your life. Seriously. Don't listen to them. Right? Even Maya agrees, all right? Even Maya agrees here. She's dealing with me being weird. She deals with me being weird every single day.
I'm watching you live.
Yeah, she's watching me live. All right? This there. All right. But anyways. Wait, this is a crypto stream? Yes, Creighton, it is a crypto stream. Thank you for hanging out, man. But yeah, so you have one touch here, two touches. I mean, why is this a circle now? Oh my God. There we go. Cross. One touch, two touches, three touches. Right here. So what you should do, right? I did. She left me now. You're good, dude. Because here's what's going to happen. You're gonna spend time in crypto. You're going to accumulate. Watch. I guarantee you this will happen. Prices will go up 40x, and she'll be knocking on the door again. I'm telling you right now. Happens every time, man. But yeah, so downtrend resistance, you're looking for this to break. You haven't quite broken it yet for Matic, right? You haven't quite broken it back for Matic, but hey, man, you're knocking on the door. And I just like everything else, I assume it's going to break back up to the upside, man. I assume it's going to break to the upside. So let's see. Measure move. Listen, the technical target's 288. If this breaks out, take it for what you will. 3 touches is all it takes for me. Nice, John. But, yeah. Dogecoin. But, yeah, I mean, listen. Matic. See, the only issue I have with some of these right now is they are having some wedge formations, which are typically bearish, right? At resistance. So take that for what you will. Like, these are 4-hour formations, hourly formations. What hotel in Vegas? Waterfly. We are staying at the Mirage. The Mirage is where we're staying, bro. Waterfly's coming. Oh my, yes, baby. Yes, Waterfly. You better make an appearance, man. I want you there. I want you there so bad. Jory, you're the reason my girl watches crypto now. She would not watch Witch Ray. Too dry. Listen, I understand. I agree. I actually like Mitch Ray, but that's because I actually like crypto. If you don't like crypto, you're probably not going to like most of the streamers, but it is what it is. Yeah, but Matic, just be careful here. Like, don't FOMO in. I don't ever recommend FOMOing. I only buy 20% dips. I tell you guys that. Or if I am buying during bullish times, it's coins that haven't pumped yet. Okay? So just be careful on Matic. Listen, I think 155 is still a great long-term price for Matic. But, you know, because Matic's my third biggest holding now. There's a reason for that. Just obviously I don't never recommend buying when the prices are going up. I never recommend that, but do what you want to do. It's your portfolio, man. Keep up the good work. Thank you, Rurian. Thanks for the kind words, man. What does one do in Vegas? There's unlimited things to do in Vegas. I cannot wait. I cannot wait to be there. You know? Cannot wait. John Spinier said I'm coming to Vegas. Nice. Damn, we've been live for almost 3 hours today. This is one of the longest streams we've done in a long time. Actually, it came to my attention that I've been streaming for 3 hours a couple times lately. And I didn't even know this. I didn't even know. I don't know how I can sit up here and talk for 3 hours straight. Goes to show that I love charts. And I love math, I guess. All right. Anyways, guys. Anyways. DJ said you clipped me. Thank you, DJ. Just be careful. I have a big mouth, man. I do have a big mouth. Just be careful what you tell people. Actually, I don't really care. I really don't care at this point. But, all right. Anything else we really could talk about today? I mean, we talked about so much today, man. We talked about so much today. I think it's a good time to end the stream, man. I think I did everything I had to do today. If I missed anything, just remind me. DM me on Discord if I missed anything, man. Because I feel bad when I do. Because I've been talking a lot today. I've been blabbering a lot today. But I appreciate everyone. Great stream today. Prices are starting to go back up. I love it. Make sure you guys are here tomorrow. We're going to be streaming at 7 p.m. every single day going forward. I like it because it's closer to the daily close, right? I think it's at 6, 2 hours. It kind of gets, we kind of not run out of things to talk about, but it's like, all right, we still have to wait 2 hours to the daily close. 1 hour before is great. That's what we used to do. That was a perfect time for me. It gives me more time during the day. So 7 p.m. is where we're going to be streaming. So 7 p.m. is going to be streaming for every day from now on. 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right. Prices are moving in the morning. Maybe I'll hop on. If not, catch you guys tomorrow. Awesome, fun stream. One of the last couple of days I'm having a lot of fun. So catch you guys tomorrow. All right. Adios, fellas. Peace.